How we doing? Welcome back to another live stream. Hopefully you guys are having a good morning. Got some interesting stuff going on right now. So AMC right now is up about 0.82% in the pre-market. So last night in the after hours, we shot up to 2002, which is pretty sweet. So let's see if we can break above 20 today. We're currently sitting at 1967, up 0.98%. Looking pretty good today. SPY's down a little bit today. We are going to be getting, I believe it's the Fed minutes. Those can have an effect on the overall market, even though it probably shouldn't, just because we already kind of know everything that's coming out in those minutes. Because it's just the minutes from the previous meeting that we've kind of already seen the effects from. Now, GME over here down about 0.88%, but right now the winner of the day looks to be BBIG, who I believe just finished an acquisition with, what is it? Adriser. So BBIG is at 389 right now, up 10.5%. I do happen to have a couple of $4 calls for this week, so I'm hoping those print. That would be pretty sweet. And as everybody's filtered in, let's do a little bit of an Ortex update to kind of see where we're at going into today. So for AMC over here, let's give it fresh. All righty. 100% utilization. Now, here's the thing. It's a 2.32% average cost to borrow right now, also a minimum and a maximum cost to borrow, but there's only been 1,200 shares borrowed. So we're going to need to see a lot more shares borrowed today in order to really get an understanding of what that cost to borrow actually is. Is it going to stay at 2.32? Most likely not. It's probably going to come down to that 1.49, 1.5 range that we've been seeing a lot of over the last couple of days and weeks. Now, we've got about 117 million shares on loan. We got 108 million estimated shares sold short. So they've got about 9-10 million shares that they can use against us right now. 21.09% estimated short interest. GME over here. Let's see what we got. All right, GME, let's see. 100% utilization. Now GME is also saying 2.32% average cost to borrow. We're seeing a lot of the same numbers on cost to borrow, which in my mind is really weird. I don't know why we would be seeing 2.32% on AMC and GME, 1.48 or 1.49%, like very consistently for the average cost to borrow on AMC. It's very strange. And then GME's max cost to borrow sometimes steps up to like 9 or 10. I think I thought I saw it at 18 on the max one time over the last couple of weeks. Now, for, again, borrowed shares, only 4,800. So a small amount of borrowed shares. We need more in order to get a better understanding of what that average cost to borrow is going to be. So we've also got 21.55% estimated short interest on GME, 13.54 million shares estimated to be sold short, 18.5 million shares on loan, about 5 million shares that they can use against Jimmy over here. So how's everybody doing this morning? You guys feeling all right? Roblox got crushed. Yeah, how much is that down? Roblox was a nasty one. I didn't want to play their earnings, 17%. Yeah, I mean, let's just see how much were the 60s. Like, look at this right here. How much were the 60s on the put side? The $60 put was still $200. No chance. With a 17% move in the stock, those puts really should have been like 40, 50 cents. Those were so inflated. I was not going anywhere near those. Do they pay cost to borrow on shares borrowed but not shorted? Yes. Yes, they do. So anytime a share goes out on loan, doesn't matter if they short it, they are going to be paying that cost to borrow. SPY with a nice little pop here. Hold on. Do we get any economic data? Is that what's going on? Commerce, January retail sales up 3.8%. Consensus up 2.1. Ooh, SPY's coming up off that. I like this over here. So SPY's getting a little bit of action over here off some economic data. I like to see that. Again, and also we have NVIDIA earnings after hours today. Let's see if AMD is going to get a little bit of a pop here. GME still down around 1%. AMC still up about 1% right here, 1.08. Here we go. Did you see the IWM Sheesh. Yeah, it was like 4 million, right? That would make a lot of sense just because of the amount of short interest in that thing right now. It's been like 40-50% for like the past 2 months. I got murdered, held $36 calls into Viac earnings. Told you, don't hold calls into earnings if you're playing the run up. Please don't do that. You can get lucky. You were kind of playing for luck. So if you play one side on earnings, you're gambling. And if you hold contracts through earnings that you played a potential run up into, it's also gambling. You could that could just go to zero really quick. Please be very careful with that. Earnings is not something you want to mess around with. AMD coming back to life. AMC up 0.82%. BBIG, let's check in on you over here. 382 right now. Whoo! What are your thoughts on free versus pay for broker, specifically with speed for day trading? What do you mean? Like for options, it's really hard to avoid payment for order flow. So in my mind, for options, doesn't matter. The market maker is going to be involved anyway with options. So it's like, yeah, you can't really avoid them. But for shares, if you're buying and holding and you want to get it's like it really depends on what you're looking for. So I mean, people should have the choice. I feel like that's kind of what it's going to come down to. With there was a question that Gary Gensler was asked yesterday. Spy is ripping right here. Jesus. So there was a question that Gary was asked yesterday about whether or not he's going to like ban payment for order flow, or if he's just going to make like disclosures that like and make it abundantly obvious that like your data is getting sold and your order flow is going to these market makers and getting internalized. I think that might be one of the more likely outcomes just because it gives people the choice, if that makes sense. It gives you the choice as to whether or not you're going to engage in those types of practices. They're not going to outlaw it. They're just going to be people the choice. I don't know. That is like a possibility. But they could also come out and ban it just like the EU has done. So let's see here. Yeah. Also, as all of you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. YouTube's been really wonky recently. So the only way to really like get past it, just engage with the videos, especially with coming into the time that we're seeing with AMC. We could see some candles really start to shoot off and we start trending to the upside. We want to get this information out there to people so people know what's going on. So make sure you guys are engaging with the video. It doesn't have to be my videos all the time if you don't want to, but just any of your favorite creators' videos. If you want the information out there, you got to engage with your creators' videos. Thank you, sir. Anytime, Eric. How you doing? All righty. So let's see what's going on over here. Any type of more institutional ownership changes? Let's see what we got. Nothing. Allstate Group initiated. Jane Street. Whoa. Holy shit. Jane Street increased their position by 837% on AMC to 2.134 million shares. Holy shit. That's big. California Teachers State Retirement System increased their position by 31%. That's not bad. And again, Renaissance. We were talking about Renaissance the day it came out. Renaissance being that institution that is like the most successful fund of all time. And like they are buying more AMC and GME. Like, come on now. They know what's going on. BBIG Pop. Spy's getting a little action here. I like to see this. AMD, how are we doing over here? Still down about 0.5%. AMC up about 0.62. GME sitting over here down at 0.79. Does commenting on live streams help with the algos? I don't think so. Do you think they could put a cap on the squeeze? Technically, if we're being honest, they could remove the buy button again. So yes, but I don't see that happening. If it's like free, fair, like if they let it go, no, they can't do that. You can have institutions selling, but if there's still more shares that need to be covered and people aren't willing to sell them, then no, they cannot cap it. It's gonna pop. Keep your eyes on the bouncing ball. Phil's crib. What's up, man? How you doing? I pledge allegiance. Whoa. Vic C, interesting there, buddy. Facebook is down big in the pre-market. What happened with Facebook? Facebook down 2%. What's going on with this? Names employees MetaMates. Oh my god. Zuckerberg is such a weirdo. Let's see. Shapiro. Yeah, Roblox down after earnings. That was pretty wild. Again, that you could have hit that one decently, but it was just too expensive across the board for that thing to play and get cheap contracts. It just wasn't happening. Yeah, BBIG is looking good. Yeah, MetaMates, dude. That's I would sell Facebook stock too if my employees were getting called MetaMates. Check DWAC. What's up with DWAC over here? DWAC up 4. Not, I mean, maybe DWAC's getting a little push off the Facebook sell-off. What about CFEI? How's CFEI doing in the pre-market? Yeah, up 1.8% off the little Facebook sell-off. So AMC coming down a little bit here. Spy's chilling. We might get a little bit of a crossover here. We got about 50 minutes left to go, people. It's going to be a fun day. I think we're going to see a lot of action today. Again, today was supposed to be the day that like Russia was going to, I don't know if they're going to actually end up doing this, but there was a lot of kind of nonsense going on with like oil yesterday. I think natural gas was up a lot today. Oil, WTI crude back above 93. Natural gas is up 5.83%. Jesus, that is insane. So let's see what we got over here on Biggie. How's Biggie doing? Wow, BBIG looking strong this morning, man. Sev, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that a lot. Good morning, brother. Do you think we go green today on AMC since pre-market is looking red all around? Smash the like button, everyone. Sev, I appreciate that a whole lot, man. I don't know. I think that with what the momentum that we're seeing. Oh, here's another thing that I want to go over with you guys. I don't think I have it up here, but let me get it up. So we have a lot of really good catalysts coming up. So right here. Oops. When did Spider-Man get released? Now, Spider-Man, oh boy. Let's see here. Jeremy, thank you so much for becoming a member, man. I really appreciate that. Shout out to all the members. You guys are awesome. And thank you guys so much for your support on the channel. It really means a whole lot. So when we're looking at this right here, we're gonna go over a couple of the catalysts that we have going forward that are like really incredibly bullish. December 17th, 2021. That's when the Spider-Man movie came out. Now they did their NFT. Awesome movie. Cool. Now we go to the daily chart for AMC. Now a lot of people are like, no, fundamental, blah, blah, blah. Okay, right here, December 14th, we were trading at 21, right and down kind of in the 20s. This is the day where we kind of bounced off of the 20. Then we start to come up the 16th, then the 17th when Spider-Man gets released. We start shooting all the way from the low 20s all the way up to 32. Okay, cool. Now, when does Batman get released? Batman release date, March 4th. Okay. What importance is the beginning of March to us as well? Earnings. So what we have coming up is potentially we have another potentially record-breaking movie coming out with the Batman. And we have earnings coming up. Now, we already have an insight into AMC's earnings. We already kind of know what's going on with it. Now, when we were seeing the December price action shooting up from 20 to 30, we didn't see as much shorting and nonsense going on. We didn't have 100% utilization. We didn't have any of that. We also just had the movie, and we also didn't have earnings coming up. Now, with the prices that we're trading at now, we've seen it. We easily move off fundamental news. So if we start to go, which is very, very possible based on like really good box office numbers and other types of news for AMC, like if they acquire more theaters or if they make any statements about the debt restructure, we are in a really good spot right now. And we're kind of sitting right at the lower end of that danger zone that we've been talking about. The first one, there's one like 19 to 2050. And then there's one around 32. Then there's one around 42. There's probably one around 50 as well. It's just looking at average days on loan and seeing where it tanks and what prices they're at. It means those are the levels that they're really aggressively shorting at. So there's so many things that are pointing to, okay, well, the technicals might start to turn back in our favor. I know we have a lot of weird stuff going on with the market, but if things start to really start curling back up, this could get really interesting. So, AMC right now, 1963 in the pre-market over here. Max Payne 19. Let me take a look and see what Max Payne actually is right now. Because there probably was a decent amount of call buying. AMC, here we go. So, yeah, Max Payne is still at 19. How's the hand? It kind of started to hurt a little bit last night, but it's fine. I mean, it's just there's a chunk missing, but it's cool. I'll survive. BBIG 385 in the pre-market up 9%. Jesus. SPY down 0.11. Here we go. Utilization's still at 100%, but we're still waiting on that cost to borrow increase because again, utilization by itself is pretty much useless because we're still seeing so many shares go out, so many shares come back. We need that cost to borrow to go up. You said let it go. I thought you were about to sing. That's funny. A lot of Spider-Man No Way Home tickets will be in Q1 2022 with Batman in Uncharted. Yeah. Did I say 385 on BBIG? 385. If you cut it off, you won't have to worry about the cut. That's true. Did you strangle Viac? No. I didn't want to go anywhere near Viac. Just because, like, you can't. Viac is not, like, when I trade earnings, it's like I only look at stocks that, like, I know move, if that makes sense. Viac's not a big mover on earnings, I don't think. Viac, the only time it had a giant move is when Credit Suisse just fire sold it all because of Bill Huang and his giant Archegos position. That's the only time that it happened. Exxon crossed this morning. Cost of borrow did go up today. Yeah, sort of. So here's the thing with cost of borrow. It didn't really go up. It's kind of faking. We saw this yesterday too. So AMC, there's only been oh, there it is. See, it went to 1.48. It's the exact one that I thought it was gonna go to. So borrowed shares, it was the first couple of shares that went out on loan got loaned out at 2.32%. Viax down 13%. Oh, shoot. Interesting. I didn't even see that. So that's a little bit of a winner there on Viac if you strangled it. Yeah, I didn't touch that because it's not a bit. I didn't see that as a big mover, but that would have been a good one. So here's the deal. Something weird is going on with cost of borrow. Every single day, we see the cost of borrow finish right around 1.48. 1.48 to 1.5. That's right around where the average cost of borrow is. Now, when we were looking at it this morning, like if you guys were just here, I was like, okay, well, we have 2.32% right now, but we need to see more shares, what that average is going to be. Now we get 101,000 shares and it's 1.48 again. That's nonsense. UPST is up 20%. Yeah, that one was expensive. BBIG is coming back up. So all of the earnings yesterday were really expensive. Roblox typically has a crazy jacked option chain. What do you call it? What else has one? UPST typically does too. So those are more expensive earnings that I just didn't want to play. Viacom changing its name to Paramount. Yes, Slade, I saw that. What is AMC's cost of borrow? On Ortex right now, it's 1.48, the same number that we've been seeing for like the last 2 weeks. All righty. Amy getting a little bit of a sell candle here. SPY chilling out. BBIG looking good. How's AMD doing? Oops, that's wrong. That's the wrong one. AMD down 0.71. Where's Nvidia? So Nvidia has earnings after hours today. We could do one of those. Oh, it's hovering. All right, this is good on Nvidia. So it's hovering right at the top of this supply and demand zone. So it's bouncing off it, coming up, bouncing off, coming back up. We could see a lot of buyers come in at these ranges and push it up even further. SPY's getting a candle. GME's down a little bit this morning. AMC still up 0.62%, looking all right. Oxy crosses up on the 1 hour by noon if SPY stays flat. It could. Retail sales report out. Very good report. I saw that too. It was I saw that. That was the one thing that we were looking at earlier. Dow Jones is not Dow Jones. Department of Justice is investigating potential spoof. Oh shoot. I keep saying Dow. Department of Justice is investigating potential spoofing and other manipulative trading techniques, sources say from Wall Street Journal. Carson Block, prominent short seller, was served with an FBI search warrant. Whoa. Justice Department is pursuing wide range investigation of short sellers. Oh boy. They're going after him. Cost of borrow went up on AMC. No, it didn't. Nope. It's still at that average of 1.48% over here. It's the same thing. And then it's also the same maximum number, 2.32%. Didn't really go up. Hulk smash the like button. Robert Lee, I appreciate that, buddy. Good morning. What's up, the new guy? How you doing? BBIG completes the AdRiser acquisition. Yep, BBIG's ripping. I've got some calls on them for this week, so hopefully those get a little nutty today. That would be pretty sweet. The option chain for BBIG is actually pretty nice too. Wow, SPY's flickering around over here, even with that decent retail sales report. Okay, what do we got going on here, people? They are really going after them. The question is, will they actually get into trouble? Jeremy, I think yes, absolutely. The thing is you can't think that this is going to happen quick. It's not going to happen quick. It's going to happen over, I'd say, the next 2 or 3 years. You're going to see short sellers starting to get popped. Remember, Rich Greenfield, a penny AMC boy, his old firm, when he was there, BTIG, got popped for naked short selling in 2021. But when did those actions take place? I think it was 2017, 2016. That was like 4 or 5 years later. They finally got the evidence and the SEC finally went after them. So it's going to take a lot of time. The SEC is not going to be the institution that comes in and is like, squeeze. It's just not. Like, those transparent, then people are going to be like, oh, the transparency rules. Yeah, the one that we have right now, I think is like 5% of the way we really need to go to get real transparency in the market. It's a step in the right direction, but it's not going to cause anything really crazy. Do you see the SEC tweet that institutions will pay a fine not to disclose customer communication reports? That's kind of all they do, though. They they always are gonna pay a fine. Check John Wick sniping AMC videos. He calls Citadel and asks about synthetic shares. No, he didn't. That is funny. AMC about to go red? Might. Yeah, it just went a little bit red here. Spy's getting some candles over here. BBIG holding up all right. Let's see what happens. We got about 40 minutes until market open. Everybody walking it down pre-market. You think good volume? What's it at right now? 202,000 in the pre-market on Webull. So that, what is that? 400 or 500,000 in the overall market. Spy's coming down now. Oh boy. All right. GME down about 0.8% here. AMC that came back up a little bit here. So we're still above that 200 EMA. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that's funny. Looks like my Roblox strangle is gonna hit. Won't see how much till it open. Yeah, the IV on that thing is crazy, most likely. So it may not be as much as you think. Probably gonna be a good hit though if you strangled it. TLT pumping. Uh-oh, are people flying into bonds today? TLT's getting a pop over here. What the hell's going on? Why are people flying into bonds? Blinken says we continue to see critical Russian units moving toward the border, not away. Oil. Oil. Hold on. Oil. Yeah, oil coming back up here. 93.34. All right, guys. We might trade a little bit more oil today. So like Oxy, Chevron, a lot of stuff going on here. So watch oil, SLV, GLD. What are the natural gas stocks? Anybody know? Was it UNG was one of them, I think we were looking at? UNG was that one? Yeah, United States natural gas up 3% in the pre-market. Jesus, this thing is pumping. Yeah, oil, natural gas is probably going to be a little bit more. War bonds? Not doing war bonds yet. No. 69th like. All right, there you go. Yeah, as you guys are filtering in too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Today's going to be a wild day. So Amy over here is flat in the pre-market. GME down about 0.92. Spy was looking good and then tank off some of this more Russia news. So let's see what happens. TLT's coming up. BBI, that TLT strangle is just like the calls are going up one day. The puts are going up one day. It's very, very weird. Craig, thanks for the super, buddy. Go to Embassy of Russia Twitter 4 hours ago. Okay, let me look. $4 hours ago, what'd they tweet? No. They're posting memes. That is so bad. That is so bad. This is so stupid. The front page of Yahoo says Russian troops going back to bases. Exactly. Everybody's just like, oh, they're leaving. And then other people are like, no, they're going full speed ahead. It's just a bunch of nonsense. Here's the other thing that we got to kind of understand here. Who is giving us all of this information? The media. They're all idiots. They have no idea what they're talking about. They're just like, yeah, I don't know. Let's just say stuff and hope it's right. That's literally what they're doing. They don't know what's going on with nobody knows any idea. Nobody has any idea what's going on with it. All right. Amy up about 4 cents over here. BBIG up 8.5%. SPY trying to make its way back up above the 200. GME just kind of hanging down a little, down $1 in the pre-market over here. Yeah, I saw the IWM FTDs. Those were pretty big. Let's see. So glad I sold Roblox at 70 for a profit a few days ago. Number letters. There you go. NVIDIA earnings after hours today, too. Let's see. AMD, how are we looking? Aw. No, that was mean. NVIDIA down into the box over here. Let's see what happens with the chip makers. Maybe we'll play a little bit more Micron today because Micron was fun. Maybe I'll test the diamond hands again and try to not paper hand some semiconductor calls. They're not idiots. They're complicit. That too. It's hilarious. Both parties tell you something. Exactly. It's crazy. Check BATL for oil and gas. Italian oil. No pre-market action over here. Honestly, UNG, does this have a chain? Yeah, this has a chain. These, honestly, if I'm going to do anything today, probably going to look at natural gas. So watch natural gas. Natural gas has been up a lot recently. So it was up yesterday. It's up 6.41% today. That is crazy. When you're exiting a strangle play, do you sell the losing side right away or just leave it in case it goes back? I let the losing side just expire worthless. That's kind of what I do. I just leave it there. BBIG to the moon. BBIG is looking good this morning, man. Hopefully it holds. Hopefully some buyers step back in on this thing and let that thing run a little today and help my $4 weekly calls. That would be pretty sweet. All right, getting some more news over here. U.S. stock index futures extend losses after Blinken comments on Russian troops. A-hole. I know what's going on. Putin bought some calls for Friday. He's going to make sure we get to 2420. John, that's funny, man. How do institutions buy in massive amounts and not raise the price? Well, they could be buying when there's massive selling pressure coming in too. So they could just be providing that backdrop of buying volume that retail just isn't. Option burn day? Could be. Andres, YouTube is definitely messing with AMC channels. Your lives don't even show up having alerts on. That's freaking annoying. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. We were talking about that earlier. Since we're coming into this time right here where AMC could get a little bit jumpy, we want to get our messages out there. So it doesn't have to be on my channel all the time. But if you are going to be watching AMC content, YouTube messes around with us all the time. Just engage with the video. Costs you nothing to do it. Helps us out a little bit getting our message out there so we can just kind of spread the word about what's going on with these two stocks and the overall market. So make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Did you see Corsair last night after hours? Yup, I did. So I still have that Corsair strangle for the one that I had from earnings. I had the $25 call. That'll come back a little bit today, but it won't do anything too crazy, I don't think. Let's see. Good morning, SBMI 8 fam. What's up, Richard? How you doing, buddy? Are you guys selling AMC again? No. No. Let's see. I don't get your live stream notifications until 3 or 4 days afterwards. That's nonsense. That's crazy. So again, if you want the information out there, engage with your creators. Let's see. Natural gas falling from the morning high, 4.623 an hour ago, now 4.529. What's that? What do I have it at right now? I've got it at 4.552. That's what I've got it at. So watch. Corsair is going to be interesting today. SPY's flicking around. Oxy in the pre-market. What's Oxy doing? Up 1.71. USO. What's USO doing? USO's up a little bit. So we'll see what happens with all of these today. All right. Well, that starts today. I don't know, man. That'd be pretty sweet if we started to go on a nasty run today. I would love to see that. All right. Okay. Alrighty, people. Where the wrench is at, they'll filter in. BBIG, LFG. Yeah, BBIG is looking good. 383 in the pre-market over here. Up 30 cents, 8.5%. Amy, just kind of down 3, flickering right around red-green over here. So let's see what happens with SPY when the market opens here. Do I have that put from yesterday still? I think I do. I'm pretty sure I have a SPY put. I do. I do have a SPY put. Interesting. All right. So if the SPY really starts to sell, I do have some downside exposure, which would be pretty nice. We'll see here. Exxon looking good. Yeah. Exxon, Chevron. Let's take a look at some of these. Yeah. Exxon coming up in the pre-market over here. Amy, just flickering red green over here. Yeah. I forgot about that. YouTube threw you into my feed, gives me all your notifications. Third time watching it. I think I've found my new favorite, Anna Bananarama. Appreciate that. Appreciate that a whole lot. Thank you. Amy is flickering heavy. Yeah, lots of flickering going on over here. So let's see what happens. You have 4 free SPY puts from earlier this week. There you go. There you go. All right. So let's do another quick Ortex update over here. Same difference. Cost of borrow is not going up. It's still at 1.48% average, 21.09% estimated short interest, though. Still very, very, very high. I mean, you can see here 7 days ago, they're listing it as 1.13 to 1.16. That's not a big difference over here. When SPY gap fill? Could be today, Squirrel. Could be today. We get our puts printed for us. Could be a wild day. Whoa, oil stocks. Where's UNG? Getting a pop. Oil stocks could be doing good. A little bit of a rally off of yesterday. So watch oil, watch puts on a lot of things. Like Facebook's coming down, so we could look at some Facebook puts as well. Trump posted Truth on his social media, Truth Social. Oh, that's why DWAC's up? Gotcha. DWAC. Yeah, DWAC, I mean, it's up 3%. I typically don't chase it because it just rips up and then comes right back down. So be very, very careful with DWAC. SPY's down about 0.5% in the pre-market over here. Facebook ripping. I think it's ripping down. Yeah, Facebook down 3.3%. UCO, good ETF oil play. Yeah. Isn't it levered? All right. Volume on it really low, though. I don't really like that. So if the volume's low in the stock, the options volume is going to be even lower. BBIG, how is it holding up with this? It's all right. I mean, it's holding, but let's see if the buyers will step back in on it during market open. It is we have 30 minutes left until the market opens, everybody. Here we go. Using Jack Dorsey as profile pick App Store? No, he didn't. Space puts? Did space come back down? It's honestly holding a lot better than what I thought it was going to. So it's only down about 11 cents in the pre-market here. Amy down about 7 cents. SPY moving down though. UPSD, big rip. Damn. What were the 125s or the 130s? Dude, look at this. Look at this. The UPST 130s were $500. These contracts are so expensive. There's no reason to be playing that with earnings. UPST strangle should print if you got it, yeah, but they're just so expensive, and there's going to be a lot of weird IV stuff going on with it. That's why I don't play earnings like that when they're jacked up. It's just not worth it. SPY still selling off here, down about 0.47%. Amy down about 9 cents. GME down $1.66. Where's Biggie over here? BBIG. BBIG. 382. All crypto is down. Okay, so watch Riot and Mara. Bitcoin following the SPY. Yeah, hedge my calls with the VXX calls, maybe. You could. You easily could. You still don't see the hype behind today? What do you mean? What is supposed to be hyped up about today? You bought the 120 strike last week on UPST for March 11th. Damn, there you go. CRSR moving up too. Yeah, I have Corsair calls from earnings last week that were just duds. So they may come back to life a little bit, but I mean, it's literally just to get more cash into the cash balance. BBIG selling now. So it's coming down with the SPY. SPY's coming down here. So watch out below on the SPY. It could get pretty selly today if we're going to see a lot of this nonsense again. AMC 1348 crossover on the 4-hour. Yep. UPSC was so expensive though, like you said. Yeah, it's just not worth it. Like, because the whole point of the earnings place is to put a small amount of money in to potentially make a large amount of money. So you're kind of looking for the market maker mispricing, in your opinion, earnings. That's what you're doing. You're saying, okay, the market's pricing in this amount. Do I agree or disagree? And if you can get those cheap contracts and the stock moves big, they go boom. That's kind of how I play earnings, just like Facebook. How can we buy and sell pre and post market? Well, you can. You can just, I could put in a buy order right now. Good morning, SV. Just woke up. What's the news today on the SPY? So we got good retail sales. And then we got bad Russia news from this dude Blinken or whatever his name. If you buy a call option at 19 cents and the cost is $19, that's also the max loss as well. Tony, yes. Is Corsair going to sell off later, continue to rise? Well, they could get a little bit of extra buying pressure just because they're getting at it. What is it? The S&P 600 is what they were getting at it to? Or is it 500? I don't think they're getting to the S&P 500, but 2301 in the pre-market's coming down. Watch the SPY. Like, the market's just going to kind of tell you what's going to happen today. Is the market going to sell off or is the market going to come back up? The market's going to be driving a lot of these price movements. That's why when I'm using 1348, I always just look at where the market is and just see what's going on with it. Because if the SPY is looking like it's about to bounce, but we're getting 1348 cross down signals, I'm not taking puts. Mass Gang, what's up? How you doing? What was the Russia news? It was that they're actually moving towards the border. Hey bro, I'm new here. What's your trigger point to go in for calls or puts? You're using the 1348 EMA crossover. 1348 and the 200 EMA. Don Julio. Are we at Don Julio right now? Yeah, we're literally at Don Julio in the pre-market. 1942 over here. SPY still selling off a little bit. Amy down 6 cents. BBIG coming back down to the 25 MA over here, selling off pretty big. GME coming down to the 200, down $2 in the pre-market. It's not having a whole lot of fun over here. Not having a whole lot of fun in the pre-market. Fake news about Russia? I think so too. Masquerade. Oh, what's up, Masks? How you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Oh, Biggie, you shouldn't have. Well, you shouldn't have gone down. I mean, it's still up 5% in the pre-market, but we hit 395. So if we can break that pre-market high on BBIG and we see the market start to come back to life, that'd be pretty sweet. What time are the Fed minutes released? It's probably 2 USOs crossing up. Is it? Yeah, but it's in the pre-market. Can't really do anything with it. And it never crossed up. I mean, well, it crossed up way back here. AMD and Micron, are they coming down? MU down about 1%. AMD, I still have those calls going into NVIDIA earnings. I might just hold it. We'll see what happens. If price is below the 200 EMA, then you buy puts. Likewise for a call. Yes, that's how I use the 200 EMA. It does matter if it's fake. Markets hate uncertainty. Right. It does. Like, well, in my mind, it doesn't matter if it's fake or not. That's what I'm saying. It's going to move the markets regardless. So markets are going to move based off of that type of news. So let's see here. Got Palantir ER. Good luck. Good calls. We gotta play both ways. Gotta play both ways on the earnings, people. Be careful. Be careful. Also, as everybody's filtering in right now, make sure you guys are hitting that like button and engaging with the content. It just helps us out to get this information to more people, especially with where we're at with Amy right now, with the coming into earnings, Batman coming out, and the potential like for a big move coming. We want to get our information out and tell more people about these situations. Glad I got out of Roblox at 72. There you go. Oh, I mean, yeah. That's exactly what I'm saying. NVIDIA had good news. What was their news? I mean, they have earnings after hours today. Yeah, so NVIDIA's back down into their box over here. Maintains long-term pattern of adding to posts. Yeah, it's just earnings today. That's all I'm getting over there on the NVIDIA news. So SPY still on the low over here. Amy 1938, 1939, down about 9 cents, 0.5% over here. Let's see. All right. BBIG coming back up. Nope. Selling off. Hope you polished up your ankles for this week. Yeah, I'm hoping we get a close over 20. That would be pretty sweet. That would be pretty sweet. Let's see here. Oh, bloop. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Uh-oh. No audio.
Mic check. Mic check.
There he is. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Chillin'. I mean, the market's not doing so well. We started off hot this morning. Oh, guys, drop some likes in the chat. Let's get the likes running up now because this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna have a little bit of a red day at the beginning of the day. Let's just start off a little red. Anything can happen. Fed meetings can come out. Things can go positive. You never know, right? But we might as well get the likes up now so that if things do turn positive, we start getting engagement up. YouTube starts setting it out to algos, all that good stuff, right? So help out where you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, things just started going south this morning.
Dude, it was that Blinken dude. He was just like, nah, they're not moving away from the border. They're actually going towards it. And I was like, bro, what are you doing?
This guy has his GPS all messed up. He's like, oh, wait, north is this way? Oh, yeah, they're definitely going back to the border.
Just like, oh, stop. Shoot.
Dude. Stop looking at your phone. Stop.
I mean, I guess oil and natural gas again today are going to be the move, maybe, for some flips.
Yeah, buddy. Ooh. Okay, where's Oxy at right now?
I think it's on the way up a little bit. They had a tough day yesterday. I do have a SPY put from yesterday too as a little bit of a hedge. So let's see how that one goes. UNG, natural gas has been the winner. Like this thing is up 2.71%. Oxy's been good, but it's so delayed. Like you never know what it's gonna do. Oh, here comes SPY, big red.
Listen, I got strangles on Roblox.
Ooh,
those things are going to print. Good thing I didn't just buy calls.
Thank you.
Great strategy. Good thing I didn't just buy calls. Good thing. I didn't even play Shopify. I was like, you know what? Just let it be. Just chill, play some cheapies, and now I can flip those into I don't know. Maybe I'll flip those into some AMC calls when the time is right.
Yeah, they were pricing in TMI like 15-20% on Roblox.
I know.
No, thank you.
I was like, what the hell? I was like, but the only thing is I only picked one. So I was gonna play. I'm gonna play draft. Oh, you know what? I'm also gonna play DraftKings.
Friday morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, I might do that.
I hate the morning ones, but because it's so late, I'm just like,
yeah.
The market could drop. Oh, dude. Another thing too. The third thing. If the market drops today, I will be buying the video calls. I don't care what happens.
I think I'm gonna hold my AMD call.
Oh, okay. So you're in, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm in
either way. Yeah. And AMD was up 6% yesterday.
Wait. Those were good. Those were up like 70% right now. Not bad.
Oh, you didn't cash out?
No. Well, I had Micron yesterday. So I played Micron. I sold those out for I think something decent. I forget how high it was. It was probably 70-80%. And then I just held the AMD. I was like, all right, cool. I'll hold this one.
Okay. Sick. Yeah, I think AMD is gonna have it. You know who's someone's gonna hit AMD.
Someone needs to hit AMD.
Hey man, AMD needs to do some work. All right, listen, I gotta jump and get myself some breakfast, but I'll catch you on the flip side. All right,
Later, buddy. Good luck today.
you guys take care. Iron Silos. Deuces, guys.
Later, buddy. All righty, people. Viacom renamed itself Paramount. Yeah, what's the new ticker? Did they already do the ticker change? Like, it still says Viacom over here. So down 15%. What are the 30 50s? How much were these? Oh, that's 1,000% right there. If you played the Viacom strangle. Oh, we should have done that. But again, didn't really make a whole lot of sense with the strategy for Viacom to do that. So that's why I didn't play it. But that would have been the one that would have been like a Facebook like earnings play over here. So guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Let's have some fun today. SPY's coming down. Let's see if we can make some money around the market, freaking out over more Russia news. Let's check in on BBIG really quickly over here to kind of see what's going on with it. Came back to life a little bit. 375 over here, starting to move back up. SPY coming down. BBIG trying to hold. AMC down about 18 cents now. Not looking so hot on the SPY. Not looking so hot. GME bouncing off the 200 here. Not bad, not bad. Viac will change to Para on Thursday. Okay, thank you. Did the meeting minutes come out yet? Is that the reason for the dip? No, that's not the reason for the dip. The reason for the dip is they basically, so we had good retail sales numbers. So then we started to pop up here. And then some dude Blinken was just like, no, the Russians are going towards the border. And it's like, bro, what? Come on. We just thought that they weren't. Let's see. Let's see here. BBIG, AMC. All right, guys, we got about 19 minutes left to go. Let's do a quick Vortex update over here. 106,000 shares borrowed, 1.5% average cost borrow. So it stepped up from that 1.48. But again, it has not changed. We should see, like, if it's going to change, a slow, steady move up, which we just haven't seen yet. We've seen 2.32 max, around 1.5 average. Let's see if that average sets up a little bit today with supposedly 100% utilization, but we're just kind of waiting to see over here. So SPY flickering around at the lows. We got BBIG looking solid in the pre-market over here. Let's see if we can get Amy above, again, Don Julio, 1950, and then 20. I want to see 20 on Amy over here today. AA tweet. Oh, snap. Oh, did he tweet? Hold your horses. Did he tweet? Did Adam Aaron tweet? Hold on. I love me some Adam Aaron tweets. 48 seconds ago. Well. Would you look? Oh my God. Adam Aaron is going on the offensive, people. Woo! Here we go. Watch this. Ready? Well. Would you look at this? Justice Department is pursuing a wide range investigation of short sellers. Federal prosecutors are investigating whether short sellers conspired to drive down stock prices. Wall Street Journal, February 16th, 2022. Adam Aaron going on the offensive. I love to see that. What should I say? I don't know if I have a response to this yet. Oh man, that's pretty good, man. There we go, Silverback. There we go. There we go, people. Adam Aaron coming out full force. Post the link in the chat. Yeah, here we go. Go blow up his tweet. There we go, everybody. Adam Aaron going on the offensive. Whew. All righty. So SPY moving down a little bit here. BBIG coming back to the upside. GME kind of just down about $2 over here in the pre-market. Amy's down about 18 cents. Let's see what happens over here. Ryan Cohen tweet now. What is going on here? We got a Ryan Cohen tweet too? Ryan Cohen tweeting? God bless Gamerica. I don't know what that is. What is GME? Oh, that's kind of oh, there it is. So this is the Ryan Cohen tweet right here. God bless Giamerica. That's pretty good. All right, they're coming out full force with the tweets today, people. This is getting it. Giamerica. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Ooh, boy. You should tell the doubters that were choke on that. Yeah. Let's see. Ooh, that was a good one. Yeah, wordplay. I was like, what are you doing? And then I was like, GME. Got it. I'm an idiot. All righty. Let's see here. Yeah, everybody filtered in. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Oh, BBIG coming back up. SPY moving down. Amy kind of hanging right around that 200 right over here. Does that mean buy call? No, stop. Don't get them in trouble. Don't get them in trouble for stuff. Okay, what do we got going on over here? US January industrial production due at 9:15 a.m. seen so the estimate's 0.5%. US January capacity also due at 9:15 a.m. and the estimate is 76.7%. So let's see. That's a decent Adam Aaron tweet over there calling out the short sellers. Woo! BBIG, they are covering. Nah, not yet. We would see a lot more action on Biggie over here. People are just buying it up on this news, I think. Shorts don't really feel any pressure on BBIG until 8. Unless they've continued to short it from like 6 lower than 6. So SPY trying to make a move back to the upside here. Finally, AA stepping out with us. Yeah, man. Adam Aaron coming out with full force. I love to see that. Woo! All righty, people. What do we got going on over here as well? Long everything, mega pump coming. It could be. It could be. Also, at the same time, we just got this could be a little bit of a bear trap in the morning just with this silly Russian news. And then we get more news later that it's like, yeah, they're actually not going towards the border. Well, that was a weird candle on GME. Down about $1.41, 1.12% over here. Gasparino clown tweet. Oh, no. All right. Where are we going to rant? Let's see. What did he do? Yeah, nothing too crazy on that one. You know what today is, bro? STV when wrench. I don't know. What day is it? SPY retesting the top of the wedge. Okay. Ooh, Amy trying here to come up to the 13. Notice the time that AA posted the tweet. What time was it? What time was it? Okay, stop. No, stop. That was too far. We hit in 2018 today. That'd be pretty sweet, man. I feel like we're about to see a sea of red. We might. I mean, I had the SPY put just a hedge. What are we watching today on 1348? Natural gas and oil. Let's see. Live cams in Ukraine show people going on with normal everyday life. That's what I think it's a lot of nonsense, but we'll see. Well, also chip makers. So Micron, AMD are down a little bit in the pre-market. If Micron starts to run here today, I will buy more calls. Ryan Cohen tweeted this morning. Yeah, he was like, God bless G America. That was a good one. BBG acquisition of AdRiser. Yep, we saw that. Sacrifice me, Jacob. All right, buddy. First sacrifice of the day, Jacob. So Amy over here, 1940, approaching that Don Julio again. Now we got GME over here down about $2. Let's see. We're getting some more news over here. Okay, so industrial production 1.4% up, consensus 0.5. Let me see what the next one. US January capacity utilization at 77.6, consensus 76.7. So the economic data this morning is really good. So we're getting good economic data here. So we'll see what happens with it, but it's looking solid over here. Yeah, Adam Aaron tweeting. That's the second tweet that Adam Aaron has put out about short sellers. I like it. I'm a fan of that. I've seen videos of people who live in the Ukrainian border and they do not believe Russia is going to invade them. Interesting. Good data is bad data. Okay, so the reason why we sold off was the Russia stuff. The reason why we popped was the economic data. So if we start to see people funnel back into the market, again, what's TLT doing right now? Did TLT end up selling off after that little bit of a pop? No, I mean, TLT's curling down now, but TLT ripped off of some of this Russia news. So, I mean, people are flooding into bonds right now, which means less money for the equity market, but we'll see what happens. So for 1348 today, again, Micron, big one. So if Micron crosses, I'll play that one. Anything oil, natural gas, I want to look at that. I mean, I have these BBIG calls. I have to do something with my Corsair calls because I have those. And then we'll see what goes on over there. So Amy over here at 1938, down about 10 cents. Hold on, more news. Raymondo on chips. We are in a dangerous situation. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Let's see. He also tweeted about the new AMC in Chicago, old Cinemark Theater. Did he now? 7 hours ago, AMC Jeez, this dude doesn't sleep. That was at like 2. I don't know what time zone he's in, but or no, Kansas, that's an hour behind. So that was like 1 a.m. AMC continues to be on a roll because of our market leadership and superb reputation with landlords. We just picked up our 7th high traffic US movie theater on attractive lease terms since this past summer. A former Cinemark theater. Oh, that's funny. They're buying Cinemark theaters. That's good. In Evanston, Illinois, just north of Chicago. So here's the deal, people. All these news media outlets are going to continue to come out to say that the apes are stupid. They're investing based off memes and stuff like that. 1, fuck off. 2, you're wrong. They keep talking about how all of these people like to just come over here and just be like, oh yeah, it's overvalued, the movie theater. Stop. It's heavily shorted. The technical shorts are still in it right now. It doesn't make sense to be short this fundamentally right now, and they can leave us alone. Honestly, who cares what they say at this point anymore? They're going to come out with their stupid articles. You see what Motley Fool did? They bought GameStop. This is crazy. This is craziness. Motley Fool, sell GameStop, buy this. Now they're buying it? The hell is that all about, huh? It's a bunch of nonsense in the financial media. Business is booming. Here we go, people. The E-Trade commercial was trash while Cinemark is getting bought up. No, that's so bad. Nothing makes sense. That's true. Okay, whoever this dude is right here, you're going to get timed out for spamming because that's just silly. If you come back in and spam, I'm going to ban you. That's going to make it like 3 days in 3 days. I don't like banning people all the time, but it might have to happen. All right, people. SCB getting spicy? Yeah, it's a bunch of freaking nonsense. They're going to keep coming out, especially Gasparino. Idiot, because you know what? Here's what it is right here. All of these people have been in the financial industry for so long and investing for a while that they cannot stomach that the way that it's been for a while is changing and it's no longer relevant. You can't really invest now based off freaking PE ratios and like these financial metrics, because here's the thing. 1, they don't make sense anymore in the current marketplace. You're using data points that do not make any sense. They just don't make sense. And value is subjective. At the end of the day, with the amount of money in the market now, the market is going to decide at the end of the day at what something is worth. I'm going to keep coming. I'm going to literally keep coming down with that statement right there. And just because the price has fallen does not mean the shorts are right. It just means they have more money to short it down. But again, if they make their money on the way down, the technical shorts, and they're like, all right, well, the technicals are looking good. They cover their short, buy right there. So let's say they're short 1 million shares. They buy right there. Okay, million share buy. Then they're like, okay, now we want to go long because the technicals are saying it's going to go up. Another million share buy. So them covering and getting back in, the double buy. That's what I'm looking for over here. 8 minutes left until market open, people. So SPY, just kind of flickering over here. BBIG, BBIG is going to be a volatile sucker today. Motley Fool bought GME. Wow. Yeah, let me look at it right here. I'll pull it up. Fintel. Yeah, I'll pull it up. Wait, hold on. GME. I saw it circulating around. Unless it's fake. See, unless it's fake, I could be wrong. Unless it's fake. I'm hoping it's not fake. Yeah, look at this right here. Look at this bullshit. Motley Fool Asset Management on the 10th. Well, they only bought 36 shares. They still bought it though. They still bought GameStop. I got a YouTube ad for Seeking Alpha that was bragging about their call on GME for 2021. Oh. Yeah. They bought 36 shares. Isn't that stupid? I'm predicting Don Julio will have a showing today. Well, yeah, what are we at right now? We're at 1938. We're 4 cents off Don Julio. I'm hoping we blow Don Julio right out of the water, finish that entire bottle, and just rip. Why does AA keep saying things 3 times? I don't know. Spy Put's going to print today? I don't know. I've got some. I've got one at, I think it's 437. It's deep. It's deep out. The only solution is to make chips in America. All right. Chill out with the chip nonsense ahead of NVIDIA earnings, huh? AA chose violence on a Wednesday. He did. AA chose a lot of violence on a Wednesday. Yeah. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps get this info out to more people, so more people can learn about the AMC situation. And just the way the market's completely messed up right now. So if you guys don't mind helping out, hitting that like button, cost you nothing to do it. Wow, how the turntables. Yep. They're called crisps. No, we're talking about semiconductors. BBIG coming up. Can I look at Zillow? Is it up again? Nah, down a little bit, up 12% yesterday. Damn, we were looking at Zillow back here yesterday. 60. Yeah, that was nasty. All right, people. Today's gonna be a day and a half. It's gonna be a crazy day. BBIG. Is it true Ryan Cohen tweeted 68 times now? Well, let's take a look. How do you see how many tweets he's had? 68 tweets. Yep. Ryan Cohen has tweeted 68 times. So people with that 69 tweet that he put out, I don't know. The next one could be big. SPY moving back up here. BBIG 380 now. There we go. Ryan Cohen, the chair of the board of GameStop. Viac with a big sell-off. Check. Yeah, Viac was a earnings sell-off. Mm-mm. 6'9" is the boom. Magic number. All right. Oh, I thought you said Ryan Dunn. No, Ryan Cohen. So Amy down about 9 cents over here. SPY's trying to make a move back up. GME is getting a little bit of a candle over here to the upside. BBIG 382. Your call is worthless on what? My call is worthless on what, Brandon? What is my call worthless on? Brandon, what's my call worthless on, Brandon? Tell me, what is my call worthless? What, on Roblox? Oh, I think he's talking to someone else. I don't have Roblox calls. I don't have Roblox calls. Let's see. Stop loss. Okay, there we go. Watch Disca. Oh yeah, what's Disca doing here? Discovery down to ooh, Disca coming back to life over here. Amy, 1937. My BBIG call is going to be unreal at open. Mine could be all right. I mean, I'm hoping they go back to at least even. Or, I mean, I would like it to go solid into the green so I can make them free. That'd be pretty sweet. Thank you. Anytime, buddy. What's my favorite? I've never played Roblox. I didn't even know really what it was before the stock market. Let's see. Sorry. AMC down 9 cents over here. SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move back up. Brandon loves the support. That's funny. You have BBIG 3 first week in March. Oh, damn. You're going to get crazy gains on that one. Where are people getting the yeah. So Klein Dropper, there's either something wrong with the data or something wrong with the way the data is projected. It's supposed to be the second half of January, not the first half of February. I think they just misrepresented the data. All right, people. 3 minutes to go until market opens. We got BBIG going on a little bit of a moon mission in the pre-market. Amy could pop back up into the green here, down 2 cents. SPY's making a little bit of a move back up. Okay, so here's what we need to look at going into market open. Micron. Watch any 1348 crosses on Micron. NVIDIA has earnings after hours today. If the market looks good and chip makers start to run, I will play Micron again. Second, oil and natural gas. Natural gas, I'm going to be more lenient towards that one today, or more favored towards natural gas. Those are going to be interesting. So UNG, anything crossing over there. And then what else? So chip makers, oil, natural gas. What else were we looking at? CRSR, I have calls on them. Merit and Raya dumping. Okay, we can take a look at them as well. But those are going to be the things that I'm really looking out for today. Oil, natural gas, Micron. So, I mean, and BBIG. I mean, I have those. So locked and loaded, ready to go. So we'll see what happens. Watch Corsair. Yeah, I have contracts for this week on Corsair from the earnings from last week. So, oh, shoot, Corsair, big candle. So this could get interesting at market open. My contract actually might come back to life on this. Yeah, that's interesting. Fine with me, honestly. All right, 1 minute to go, people. Here we go. What exactly does max pain mean? It's the price where the most amount of options contracts, calls, and puts expire out of the money. So it hurts options buyers who are retail investors most of the time on a week-by-week, month-by-month basis, and benefits options sellers who are institutions or market makers. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. Corsair looking really good. Call those crosses, kids. Yep, UPST, big candle. It's just so expensive, people. It's just the IV on it is just a lot. Yeah, UPST candle. Amy flickering around over here. GME. All right, less than a minute to go. We're gonna get some ding, ding, ding here in a few minutes, people. Here we go. Here we go. Less than a minute to go. 9:29. Here we go, people. I have TLT. I have the TLT strangle. I'm leaving it for something crazy to happen. Until what the hell? BBIG. What was that? All right, BBIG market open. Little bit of a wild candle over here. Ding, ding, ding. The market is open here. 1932 on Amy. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. GME trying as well. BBIG looking all right. All righty here, people. As you guys are filtering into, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Get the engagement up so we can get this info out to some more people. How are these BBIGs doing over here? My AMDs are getting hit a little. My TLT, BBIGs, they're still down. That kind of sucks, but we'll see what happens with those. My Corsairs. How are my Corsairs dead? BBIG moving down. CRSR. It's trying over here. All right, so SPY's making a move here. Amy's trying to come up. 19. Oh, we blew past Don Julio over here. Where's Micron? Micron, red candle. Amy trying 1942 right over here. Corsair crossed. I'm not getting anything new on Corsair after that move. That's a big one. I already have calls on them, so I'm not going to get any more. BBIG went from minus 23% to plus 10. That's crazy. So BBIG over here. Looking all right. Oh, Amy with a candle. Here we go. 1952. Come on, let's get that move to 20 today, people. Oh, GME, new day highs over here. Trying to push back into the green. I'd love to see this. Let's see. Corsair Gaming looking all right. Let's see. Are my biggies? Oxy big candle. Yeah, Oxy big candle. Oil. Where's oil? Looking all right over here. Natural gas, UNG. Down. Okay, this is interesting. What about USO? USO was a good one. The premium was a little slow on it. USO, GME. Look at this. Look at this candle. New highs over here. Amy trying to come up here. Let's see if we can get a cross. We got a 5-minute MACD cross over here. The SPY's trying to do it as well. Let's go back to Oxy really quickly. Yeah, Oxy coming up pretty big. So maybe I'll get some Oxy, but I also already have. Okay, that's a dead play right there. Let's see. Dow dumped it open. Let's see. UPST. Let's see here. Upstart, just chilling over here. AMC looking good, 1950. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move back to the upside here. GME looking all right. Where's Biggie? Biggie, not really doing a whole lot. Let's see. Lucid. Oh, yeah, EVs could be doing all right today. Oh, Lucid, giant candle over here. Holy shit. Lucid coming up here big time. Hold your horses on this beast. All right here, people. Yeah, Lucid looking strong over here. SoFi. What's up with SoFi? Yeah, SoFi big candle. AMC pretty big candle. 1960 over here. Come on. Where's Lucid? Micron. GME is just pumping over here. Here we go, everybody. So Amy, 1962. GME looking good. Honestly, I might get some Amy calls at some point. If we do this cross here. Lucid, how's it looking over here? What about Rivian? All right, GME is just continuing to make new highs over here. Oxy ripping. Yeah, Oxy no cross, but it is up about 2.5% right here. AMC 1964, we're looking good on this one, people. Come on, Amy. New highs. BBIG tanking. That's no fun. Yeah, BBIG's getting some red candles. Alrighty. Oh, Amy, here we go. So AMC 1971 right here, 72. 1974 is the new day high. SPY's moving up. GME's looking all right. Lucid, what do we got over here? Chilling. Come on, Amy. Let's go. New highs, 1977, 78. It's just climbing right here, people. Come on. AMD, how are we looking over here? Shitty. Oh, boy. All righty. Amy, come on now. What do we got? Ripping? Is it now? Oh, is not ripping. Please don't ever do that again. Don't ever say that is ripping when it's doing this. Let's see. Nasty candle on AMC. Yeah, this is a big candle. Oxy coming back down. DraftKings down, coming back up though. SoFi, yeah, you were calling out. Some people have been calling out SoFi. SoFi coming up big here. Oh boy, SoFi up 3%. AMC up 1.26. SPY boom boom candles. Yeah, SPY with a nice candle to the upside here. SoFi looking all right. All right, Amy. GME looking good over here. Angles at Micron recovering. Yeah, I need a cross on Micron. If Micron gets a cross, that'd be pretty sweet. But Amy coming down to this 48 EMA right here. SPY coming down a tiny, tiny bit here. VZ with a giant candle. I mean, we played Verizon a couple times. Yeah, Verizon, big candle and a cross. Maybe we do a little Verizon. Check those Corsair calls. They're probably still dead. I have the 25s. I went deep out for this week. Oh, and Disca as well. Yeah, the Corsair calls are still dead. Disca. Disca down hard over here. Disca selling off very hard. So Viac might be coming to the downside as well. Yeah, Disca's selling hard. Viac selling pretty hard here. So there's no cross on Disca. You could play it as a sympathy to Viacom. AMC 1970 over here. GME trying to get a pop back to the upside. Micron. Here we go, everybody. Yeah, also everybody filtering in too. Make sure you guys hit that. Yeah, Micron flickering over here. Your $25 call is up 80%. Mine's down horrendously. SoFi still going. Sophie. And SoFi's looking all right over here. Lucid getting ready to cross up. Is it still going? Yeah, Lucid is getting ready to cross up. If Lucid crosses to the upside, I'll play Lucid again. SPY trying to make its way back up here. AMC 1955. NVIDIA way down might bring others with it. Yeah, maybe. But, I mean, I'm still going to hold my AMD call for NVIDIA earnings. You really love the last tweet from Matt? No key. I know. C candles. What's this? Northrop. Yeah, crossing here. Lucid. What are we looking at? Roblox on fire to the downside, most likely. Oil plays running. Oops. That hurt my finger. Yusuf trying here. Alrighty. ANF. What's ANF? Abercrombie and Fitch coming up here. So Amy is up a penny right now, flat on the day. SPY's moving back down. BKKT looking across on the 5. Oh man, BKKT has been an absolute dirty play recently. Like, look at this. It's just running. So let's see. This one could get a little spicy over here. XOM boom. Those have been nice. Those have been nice recently. SoFi running. Maybe I'll get a little SoFi play just on the. It's chasing though, so we'll see. A tiny SoFi play, like really small. Let me see what I can get. Let me see. SoFi. Let's see. Amy over here. I don't know. There's no cross. This is kind of what we've seen, though. We've seen these no cross, and then things just run out of the gate. SPY moving down here. Where's Lucid? I want to cross on. I really just want to play the crosses. Yeah, Lucid's trying to cross over here. Gold coming up. Ooh, what time is FOMC? It's just the minutes today. It's just the minutes. Let SoFi pull back to 1290. That's what I'm saying. Why are chip makers selling off? Somebody came online and was like, oh, we're having a massive chip maker problem. UPST. Yeah, UPST crossing here too. Wow, really in the green. 1944.43 on Amy over here. Hit Don Julio just now. Did you keep AMD? Yeah, I'm holding it for NVIDIA earnings. Here comes UPST. All right. Jimmy. Yeah, the minute should be at 2. So Amy with a red candle. Verizon crossing also. Yeah, that's going to follow the market. God bless G-America. Yeah, SLV cross on the 5-minute. Is it? Yeah, silver coming up over here. U.S. stocks extend fall. NASDAQ down 1%. Oh, boy. Silver. What about gold? Gold was moving more. Gold look, I mean, Amy down 5 cents. Nothing crazy right here. SPY just kind of flickering around. XOM. Yeah, Exxon looking good. No cross though. Where's oil? Not really moving a whole lot. Natural gas is coming down. All right, let's see. Where's BBIG? How's that doing? Yeah, Exxon coming up here. That's not bad, but there's no cross on it. BBIG, yeah, selling off here on BBIG. Still up about 2%, but not as much as we thought it was going to be today. 1.2 million in volume. AMC's got 3.85 million in volume. On GME, 116,000 over here. What's Amy's Ortex looking like? 112,000 shares borrowed, 1.49% average cost to borrow. Not really moving a whole lot over here. So Amy trying to get a little candle here to back to the upside. SPY is trying as well. SPY pump thinking it's gap fill. You think it's going to gap fill? Like down here? Just all the way back down? I mean, I have that SPY put for today. Let's see what happens. Pfizer cross up? Man, Pfizer's a weird one. Let's see here. Amy, where's Micron? Micron down everywhere. Puts. All right, Michael Rodriguez. That was a little bit reckless over there. Amy, 1936. Space always runs up on news, but gets the rug pulled. He got 5 puts yesterday in Power Hour. Yeah, I kind of like that. Where's Space? Is it crossing down? Yeah, Space is selling here. Space put printing. Yeah, I kind of want to get some space puts. Just for funsies. Just because it was up so much. Like, see what happens. I got a little one on it just for fun. Little baby one. Just on the little reversion play on Space. So we'll leave that one there. Amy coming up. SPY moving down. Let's see what happens. Space coming back up. I got a tiny trade on Space just for fun. CVX is up. Yeah, no cross though on oil. I haven't seen any crosses on oil. So SPY down about $1, about 0.42%. Amy, 1946 down a penny. 50. Here we go. Coming back up. By getting beat down, puts printing. There you go. You YOLO'd an AMC call yesterday and banked. If we see a 1348 cross on AMC, I'll get some puts. I mean, calls. Sorry. Verizon cross on the 5. Yeah, easy. How's it looking? Yeah, and the Verizon coming up here a little bit. Maybe a little tiny Verizon play for fun. It did cross. Yeah. All right, we're gonna mess around with this for fun. See what happens with Verizon over here. Nice little cross. Could come back to the upside here. We got SPY moving back down. It's gonna follow the market though, so be careful with it. Let's see. Oh no, I misspoke. Here comes Verizon back to the upside over here. All the banks are ripping right now. Bank of America. Yeah, crossing right here too. You got 6 Amy calls after my AMD winnings yesterday. There you go, Darstar. Good luck with that, buddy. Ford rip. Ford getting a pop. Where's Lucid? Did Lucid get that cross? Nope. Ooh, Lucid down. Ford looking all right over here. Looking like it wants to get across. SPY flickering around over here. Bank of America cross on the 5. Still moving up. Yeah, well, it's looking like it wants to cross. AMC 1954. Let's see. All right, for Verizon contracts are up a little bit. Space contracts are down a little bit. Where's Space right now? Did it cross back above 10? Yeah, Space bounced a little bit here. I think it's got a lot of ways to go down though. Verizon, how's this looking? Yeah, Verizon looking solid right now, even with the SPY freaking out a little bit here. Verizon's actually looking really good. Big volume on BBIG already. 13 million. Yeah, that could come back to life over here. Amy, 1941, right around Don Julio. Ankles incoming? Dude, I would love to see some ankles. ATVI about to cross. ATVI can get jumpy. Yeah, Activision about to cross. Watch that pre-market high of 81.80. 1944 on Amy over here. GME flickering around. You're saying margin call confirmed on AMC? I mean, no, that's not. This is not the price action that we would see in order for a margin call. Nvidia. Ooh, selling on Nvidia. Jesus. Can you check UPST? Yeah. 137, doing all right. I mean, it's still up a lot after the all right. Space puts are down. I got a little one though, so I'll survive. Let's see. Where's Verizon? Verizon looking good over here. Roblox gonna get his teeth kicked in. Yeah. All right, getting some news over here. There's news about AMD is working with Amazon Cloud Services. Hold on. AMD sell. Oh, GME with a little candle to the upside here, down 81 cents. AMC down 4 cents right now. SPY trying to make a move back to life over here. Verizon. Looks like chips are dragging the entire NASDAQ down. Yeah, right now it looks like they are. Let's see. Space. Ace popping back up here. Spaghetti-o. My stop loss on BBIG triggered, got about $1,200. What do I buy? There you go. I don't know. Well, I'm hunting for plays over here. Verizon, what's this looking like now? It still looks good. We'll see what happens with this. If this starts to go, they're cheap contracts, so they could really fly. The space puts were just a little bit of a YOLO. They're down a little bit here. I spent like $60. Oxy making me feel good. There you go. What's Oxy looking like? Yeah, Oxy with some candles over here. AMC 1864. SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move back up. GME trying to come back into the green. Green candles for Oxy. Yup. Playing Ford right now. Yeah, Oxy looking good here. Ford. Ford crossed up right here. High of the day at 1818. Not bad. Let's check in on Verizon really quickly. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Disney crossed. Yeah, we saw that Adam Aaron tweet about short sellers. That was pretty good. Melvin dumps MasterCard and Alphabet. I mean, good for them. They still suck. Oxy new high. It's rallying off of Oxy getting up here a little bit. I've got those calls on it for this week. We'll see what happens with it. I'm up 10% on the Verizons right now. Down a little bit on space, but spaces are coming back down. SPY moving up here. Verizon, how's this looking? Verizon looking strong over here. If this makes a move to 54, oh my God. Bank of America cross. Yeah, it did. It did. Yeah, Bank of America coming up too now. I might get a little bit on Bank of America. Just a little baby one. Just because, I mean, I'll get out before Powell, but we'll see what happens with this. SPY's trying to make a little move here. Space, what is this looking like? All right, now I got to chill out a little bit. Space coming back down. Verizon looking good over here. JP Morgan cross up on the 5. Yeah, I got Bank of America on that one. That AA tweet is fire. Yeah. Verizon looking strong. Here comes Verizon to the upside. I like that. AMC price is 1970. Yeah, 1972 right here. Ho, what's up, Long? How you doing, buddy? All right, these Verizons are these are gonna print, I think. Jeez, man. All right, the Verizons are up 25%. Bank of America's are down 1%. That's just on the fill. The spaces are down a little bit, but those are gonna be volatile. Verizon flickering around over here. SPY flickering. Let's see. GME getting a candle to the upside. 1972 on Amy over here. Lockheed up hard. Lockheed was one that we've been looking at a lot. Yeah, Lockheed, I mean, it crossed right at open and ripping right here. So if you played it off the 200, 84 to 86, that's not terrible. SPY flickering here. The AA tweet is basically calling out short sellers and talking about the DOJ investigation. Verizon back down, space. Bank of America chilling here. Thought the stream was lagging. Yeah, Amy's at 1969 right here. Bank of America looking all right. Let's see what happens with SPY here. It's flickering. GME, new day high. Disney cross huge channel. Oxy gap filled on the 5. Yeah. Verizon, what do we got going on with you? Verizon selling off a little bit here. Why the sell-off? It has to do with Russia. We need more likes. Thanks, Darstar. I appreciate that, buddy. It doesn't say I'm live, Drew. That's freaking annoying. Up 300% on Sabre. There you go. Bank of America. Alrighty. Come on, 20 on Amy. Here we go. How do these Bank of Americas just tank so hard? That's kind of weird. Oh, Amy. Here we go. New highs on Amy approaching 20. Here we go. 1994 on AMC right here. That was a big pop. That was a big pop. Here we go. Oh, boy. Amy's looking really strong right here. 1987 right now. Oh, boy. This is looking good. Bank of America coming down. SPY moving down here. Verizon coming down. Oh, boy. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. All right. Amy really looking good over here. GME with a nice candle. SPY moving to the downside. Oh, boy. That was a big boy candle over here up to new day highs. Oh, my. All right. Verizon coming down now. SPY coming down. That was a big. All right. Let's see if we can cross that 20 here, people. That would be sweet. Man, that was a big candle. How do we get a gamma squeeze for AMC? The contracts just need to be at the money, in the money. That's really that. Oh, SPY selling off hard here. All right. I'm probably going to ditch some of these calls. Yeah. SPY down hard right now. All right. These Verizons got to go. Bank of Americas. I'll leave the Bank of Americas for a little bit just to kind of see. But SPY's moving down hard over here. Where's that SPY put at? Down a little bit. AMC coming down with it. GME getting a candle to the downside. Yeah, here comes Verizon on the way down. SQQQ going nuts. Yeah, put season today. Micron selling off hard. AMC, damn, that was such a good candle. And then the SPY just capitulates on itself. Bank of America, what's up with this? Yeah, coming down hard. BBIG looking oversold. Yeah, SPY trying to move back up here. AMC, 1967 over here. Morning head fakes. True. That's very possible. That's why I'm going small in the morning, so I don't really get myself into any trouble. Where are the Corsairs at? Corsairs dead. BBIGs are still down a little. Bank of America. Ooh. All right. Let's see. Capitulate. Roblox dying? Yes. Morning, AMC fam. How you doing, buddy? All right. SPY back down. Amy bouncing off that 48 EMA over here. Volatility is back. Me like, yeah. It feels so suspicious that AMC is moving the way it is this week on low volume. 7 million in volume so far. That's not that low. Bank of America selling off. SPY coming down hard right now. Oh, boy. All right. Bye-bye, Bank of Americas. Cut it. How are my space puts not printing? How is that not happening over here? SPY really coming down. Open interest is the amount of contracts that are being held at a given time at a specific strike. So SPY's getting some pretty big candles over here. Squirrel, looks like we're coming down. We might print on these puts. The only move I made today was to take profits from BBIG calls and buy more AMC. There you go. Yeah, BBIG coming down. SPY just kind of not having a whole lot of fun. My 1050 puts are on space. Yeah, what do I have? 950. Here comes the SPY capitulating. Why SPY coming down? Russia news. Oh, it's in the gap. This could get dirty. All right, we got 2 minutes left on this candle. Space. What's going on with you? Space coming down now. Here we go. Ryan Cohen tweet blowing up. Yeah, the G America one. That was interesting. I like that one. Cost of borrow is not up right now, guys. The average is the same. 1.49%. It's not up. All right. SPY flicker in here. Amy still in the green. 1960. Look at these Lou candles. These are not Lou candles. No, the cost to borrow is like identical to what it's been over the last couple of days. It's like the same exact thing. SPY coming down a little bit more here. Space, same difference. GME in the green by about 0.5% over here. AMC up 0.8% ish. USO looks like it's close to crossing on the 1 hour. Yeah, what's oil doing right now? Nothing. Natural gas not doing a whole lot either. Short attacks over and over again. Well, it's just like the market freaking out over here. All right, Amy trying to pop back up here. Yep, Verizon coming down. Bank of America. That was a good sell on that. Yeah, Bank of America and Verizon got hit hard with that SPY move. Buy in margin to borrow. That's the silliest advice. Apple hasn't crossed, but crashing. Yeah. What's up, Keith? How you doing, buddy? Yeah, here comes Bank of America back down. Amy back up. 1974. SPY. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby on the SPY. Yeah, Bank of America way down. Good thing I cut those quick. Jeez. Space, it's time for you to tank. All right, what about Netflix? Netflix crossing? No cross on Netflix. Amy looking really strong right now with this SPY sell-off. 1974. GME. All right, GME's getting across to the upside right here. I like to see that. Shopify went from 1,800 to... No, it didn't. No way. I mean, it's down 17%, maybe from the high. AMC coming back up here. If it gets that 1348 cross, I mean, I might buy some calls. Oil prices coming back to all-time high. I mean, maybe not all-time high, but maybe it is all-time high. All right, shop still coming down. SPY moving down here. Space might break down. Yeah, AMC coming back up. 1977 over here. GME looking decent. All right, people. Walmart crossing. Is it? Amy, here we go. It wants to. SPY is just on the low, and AMC is just like, I don't give a shit. I love it. All right, here comes Amy. Here comes Amy. Here comes Amy. Looking to get above 20 here. 1992, I think it just hit. High of the day, 1995. Here we go. Come on, let's get that cross. SPY's just kind of flickering here at these lows. Let's see if Amy can get above 20. That would be really sweet. Woo. All right, here comes Amy. Cross above 20. Let's see. Amy looking good over here. Oh, 50% on your SPY puts. There you go. GME's going too. Yeah, G got a nice cross over here. Space bounce, SPY bounce. Let's see. Where's the level for longer calls? 2095. Okay. Space trying what? How much are we up to? 2%. That's not bad. We are really fighting to get above 20 here. Negative beta. No, stop it. All right, SPY back down. AMC flickering over here. 112% on my AMC weeklies. There you go. We've seen that negative beta finally. Yeah, I guess so. Oh, there it is. Oh, 1999. It's just banging its head on the top of the ceiling at 20. Come on, Amy. There it is. 2004. There we go. 2004. New day high. Come on, people. Here we go. Amy, rip, rip, rip. There it is. Okay, fuck you. I saw it hit 2004. Why'd you just change it to 2002, Weeble? 2005, 2006, AMC's pumping. Yeah, GME's getting up here too. I like this. This is looking spicy over here. All right, sacrifice you. All right, Hammer, I got you, buddy. All right, 2010, looking good over here on this candle SPY. Trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. Oh, GME's really getting rippy over here. I like this. Oh, it's just continuing to make highs over here. Amy, you shouldn't have. All right, what are these looking like? Yeah, this looks good. G-America. Yes. We've retaken 20. Yup, here we go. Let's see if we can hold it. So high of the day, 2012. SPY back down. AMC holding right here, though. I think we break over the 48 EMA on the daily. We could run massively. Yeah, what is it at on the daily? Yeah, you could look at that or let's see. Yeah, Amy's looking good over here. 2005. SPY just flickering at these lows over here. Let's see. RSI looking good here too. Oh, all right, people. Rockets and basketballs. Throw them in. It's time to go. It's time to go, Amy. Do the wrench voice. Not now. Not right now. All righty. Calls in the money 65K. We're getting the gamma. Not 65K is a decent amount, but it's not that. It's not crazy. How much is that 20? How many calls are at 20? 22,000. That's not bad. And then the next level is 22. But see, there's not like a whole lot on this monthly until we get to like 6. I mean, yeah, stepping up on that is nice. But all right. Amy back down below. All right. SPY moving down again. Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Since I can't do daily options, only weekly on TD, I'm probably not gonna be able to maximize profits because I can't get them cheap. Correct? Yeah, I don't know why TD is doing that to you, Keith. That's probably a weird. I don't know why. You should be able to do daily options on TD. Up 65% on my $21 strike. There you go. Amy just chilling at 1990 over here. SPY got a not so fun candle to the downside. Space moving back down. Holding 3XXX. Let's get it. Rhino. There we go, buddy. All right. Amy back above 20. Oh, it's looking good. About to get that 1348 cross too. Oh, baby. All right. I might do something crazy. Do I feed the gamma? Do I feed gamma? SPY moving back up here. Amy looking good. I think I'm going to start feeding gamma. No, actually, no. I'm not going to be stupid. I'm not going to be stupid yet. I'll feed gamma when the time is right. SPY coming back up here, though. I like that. Space coming back up, too. I don't really like that a whole that much. Here we just passed 1,400 shares. There you go. All right, Amy, new day highs. Here it comes. SPY popping up here a little bit. Where's that Verizon and Bank of America? Yeah, Verizon got slapped. GME coming. Oh, GME new highs over here. AMC is ripping right now. Up 3% on the day. Oil and gold just jumped a bit. GLD was having a cross a little bit earlier. Yeah, not so much. Oh my, Amy, 2020. There. What was that high that we saw that one day a couple of weeks ago? Where is it? 2018. Where was it? 2096. So we got to break 2096. SPY making a move back up here. Here we go. Where's BBIG? Oh, BBIG's getting a candle here. Come on now. Come on, people. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Just helps get some more people in here watching these boom boom candles fire off. Let's see what we get here today, folks. All right, Jimmy looking good. NVIDIA's about to rip. Gasparino buying. That's fun. Let's get back to the 30s. I'd love to see that. Oh, new highs, 2020. BBIG breaking out of the bear trap and moving. It's trying to move here. 369. Amy is just looking strong, man. Like, very strong. Okay. SPY popping here. Amy, it's time to shine. The TLT strangles down a little bit, but it's fine. What about BBIGs? Those could come back to life over here. So BBIG starting to make a little bit of a move here. GME starting to pop up a little bit. Amy, oh, new day highs. Here we go. Yeah, here we go, everybody. SPY flickering here. Amy looking good, though. Just 1348 cross just now. The Adam Aaron tweet was calling out short sellers. NVIDIA calls it close. If I do it, it'll be a strangle. Maybe I'll strangle AMD. I already have that AMD call just running into today, so we'll see what happens with it. Fisker cross on the 5-minute. Where's Lucid? Oh. Yeah, Neo. Down. For FSR, not bad. Amy, come on. Oh, it wants it. Amy wants it over here. SPY's just flickering down at these lows. Is there a new Adam Aaron tweet? The different than the one that we've been over? No. Well, would you look at this? Justice Department is pursuing a wide range investigation of short sellers. Federal prosecutors are investigating whether short sellers conspired to drive the stock prices down. That was the AA tweet. Let's see. Hurry and cover before March 3rd. The hell is March 3rd? 2011 on Amy. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. Yeah, the new Ryan Cohen tweet, the Giamerica one. I saw that one. Wow. GME new high at 130.38. Oh, it's coming up. Come on, Amy. Let's do it. Let's do it. Neo looking all right over here. Where's BBIG? It's trying, man. It's trying. Oh, Batman March 3rd. All right, cool. Adam Aaron choosing violence. Yeah. Yeah, we're getting some boom booms. All right, so GME's up 2.96%. AMC's up 3.25%. Viacom was bad earnings. Looks like the graph is similar to just before the January run, 2-week countdown. Maybe. That'd be really sweet if it did. Oh, here it comes. Come on. Let's see here. All right, people. Yeah. Space. All right. Amy 2003. Spy moving down a little here. GME getting a little bit of a red. You have no settled cash. AMC earnings on March 3rd or 4th. We don't know the date yet. The date of AMC's earnings will be announced by the company. Now, here's the thing. You're going to see right now, we have a lot of projections out for what AMC's earnings date could be. When they announce their earnings and it's later than the projected dates, it does not mean that they postponed it. There was never a date. So there's no date right now. If they come out and announce a date and then postpone it, that's postponing it. But that's not what's happening here. They're going to come out, confirm a date, and then they're going to report their earnings on that day. We just don't know what that date is yet. Spy trying to come back up here. Amy, time to shine. Let's go. Let's see. Might see halts. Nah, we wouldn't see halts with this price action right here. We would need like big candles. So Spy trying to make a little bit of a GME coming up to that previous day high. Ankles. I love to see it, people. All right, what's going on with Verizon? Still on the low. Wait, what happened to Spy just now? Nothing. Let's see. 4 hours till margin calls. That's funny. Many are saying AMC MOAS starts today. Nobody knows, guys. Nobody knows. Amy coming back up. It's 2012. Just kind of flickering here. Bank of America. Yeah, those were good sells on those. Ortex, please. Yeah, I can give you guys a little Ooh, Amy's coming up here. So 2017, you can see it over here. 2018, Ortex update on AMC. We got 116,000 borrowed shares. 1.49%. Oh, new highs. 1.49% average cost to borrow. Hold on. New highs on Amy over here. She's coming up pretty decently over here, folks. Spy's trying to make a little bit of a move. GME is making new highs over here. Here we go. 2024. There we go, people. Micron. What's up with Micron? Micron coming back to life. Someone just covered. Nah. Oh, we have White Lightning back in here. I like it. White Lightning, you said it was going down. So, shoo. Let's see here. 2022. Yeah, 2025 is what I have as the previous day high. Micron trying to come back to life over here. Spy. Here we go, Amy. Come on. Cost of borrow is like, it's the same thing. Almost 11 million in volume. Yeah, Amy's pumping here with a nice little 1348 cross. Oxy retesting. Oh, all right. GME doing all right. Amy, but penny off that high. Let's see. 700K end of the week calling it. I don't know about that. BBIG moving on up. Over 370. Yep, 372. Trying to come up here a little bit. Shills are buying. Yep. Paper handed some of my Amy calls yesterday. Serves me right. Yeah, you got to take profit when you see him, though. Got to take profit when you see it. All right. 373 on BBIG. Spy. I mean, there's no MACD cross on it yet, but if Spy starts to come back into the right direction, Amy's going to go boom. Utilization's at 100%, but it doesn't really matter until the cost of borrow goes up. All right, let's see. Biggie trying to make a little move here. GME looking good, man. Amy looking pretty. Yep, XYZ. Amy going to 22 end of the day. That'd be pretty sweet. Will today be the day BBIG gets over 4? I don't know. It'd be nice if it did, though. It'd be real nice if it did. Spy kind of flickering around here. Amy 2015 right now. Selling off a little bit here. 2012. All righty. Volume on AMC is approaching 11.5 million. Yeah, it's 11.56 million right now. BKKT crossing. All right. You guys have been calling out that one a lot, and I've missed it every single time. So maybe I'll do something. But BKKT has been dirty recently. So, GME a little down. SPY trying to come back up. Ride crossed. Micron trying to give it the beat. Dude, I like Micron. Micron's been fun recently. Yeah, Micron's trying to come back up. If it crosses, I'll throw some money at it again. We will see ankles today. Oh, yeah. If we close above 20, you guys get ankles. USO on a run. USO coming up. Tanked yesterday, though. Charge point crossing soon. All right. Charge point was dirty yesterday, so let's see what we get on it today. Yeah, charge point looks like it wants to cross here. So see what happens with this. SPY trying to come up here a little bit. Yeah, charge point looks good. Let's see. BioLife Hemp, thank you so much for the super. SV 2 weeks ago, you said 2050 shorts are in trouble. Say your guess. It's not that they're in trouble at those levels. It's like that's the first danger zone. It's like there's multiple of them. It's just what are the levels that they were piling in and adding to their shorts. That's kind of what I look at for it. So you look at that by like looking at average days on loan. When you look at the average days on loan, it shows you kind of where the shorts are piling in. Let's see. This is what we're going to do on charge point. All right. Charge point looks like it might want to cross. SPY moving down here. Let's see what we can get on this. It's looking like it wants to cross. It had a nice little day yesterday. It's been rallying up over here. Where's that high? 1535. Okay, let's watch that level over here for a minute. AMC 2010. SPY moving back down a little bit here. Lift cross, BKKT cross. All right, BKKT was another one. Yeah, coming up a little bit here. Daddy Diamond Hands, thank you so much for the super. PIK or text, please. Yes, got you. PIK. 2008 on Amy over here. You can see it, 2007. PIK or tax, we got 75% utilization, 10.25% short interest, and then 285% cost to borrow. Jesus, 700 shares borrowed, net return of 1,900 shares today. BKKT looking all right. Charge point, what are we looking at over here? Yep, charge point not great on this cross right now. Still hasn't completely crossed. Can I briefly explain what 1348 is? It would take me a little bit too long to go through it. I don't want to take away from what we're looking at on AMC right now. So make sure you join the free part of the Discord linked into the top of the chat. Watch all those videos in there. The strategy's solid. So make sure you guys take a look at that. Very, very good strategy if you do want to learn. All right. I might scale into oh, we'll see. If we get a cross, I might look at it. What is that? Charge point? Yeah. Okay, so Amy 2016 coming up. Lift cross. All right, I'll get a little charge point, I think. Yeah, lift cross, not really doing a whole lot now. SPY getting a candle. Chargers have been good recently. Amy 2014. Charge point's flickering here. BKKT, is it going? Yeah, BKKT looks good here on this cross. So that one's got high short interest on it. They're expensive, though. SPY moving up here. Alrighty. Amy, come on. Let's get that high over here. You paper handed your Bank of America. It's coming back. Well, the SPY is coming back. It's coming back a little. I mean, these would still be horrendously down. Jimmy Boom Boom. Well, it's at 130.04. AMC is at 20.08. SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move here. Bank of America coming back to life. Charge point. Not really doing it right now. Ford, I know people were looking at Ford earlier. So Ford trying to come back to life over here. Bank of America back above 48. It's coming up a little bit. All right, maybe we go back in. I went really small. Maybe I go in bigger now. YOLO it, huh? Just kidding. Thoughts on Exxon earning? When's earnings on Exxon? I'm watching charge point at 1535. That's Amy coming down, SPY moving back down here. GME flickering. Lift was crossing. Let's see what happens with Lift. Lift not really doing a whole lot. Amy coming back down below 20. Let's see here. Friday morning. I don't know. Did you miss ankles? No. Ankles are after hours. So ankles is if we close above 20. All right, let's see. I'd love to see some FOMO come back in. Didn't hold my Viac puts. Ooh, left like 10 grand on the table. Ah, that hurts. All right, SPY moving back down here. Amy coming with it. Charge point. Yeah, selling a little here. Space looking like it wants to tank. I do have space puts now. So let's see. Where is it? Yeah, space. I do have those space puts. So let's see what happens with those. You just bought a bit more. Andrew, there you go, buddy. AMC MACD about to cross up on the 15-minute. Oops. That's not what I wanted. Yeah, it just crossed on the 15. Coming up. SPY moving down. Space selling. Micron testing the 200. Is it? Oh. Yeah, it's trying. GME coming back down. So SPY's getting a little bit selly over here. It did have a nice little move up. Let's see. After we see your ankles, next we see your GPA. It's like 3.78 or something. It's not going to be that after this semester. I also don't. Dude, last night, I'm telling you, the universe doesn't want me to do school. I got like locked out of my student admin account. It was nonsense. What time are the minutes out today? Pretty sure it's at 2. Pretty sure it's at 2. Yeah, Bank of America is probably coming back down now too. Yeah, 48 flat. I mean, it's holding decent over here, even with the SPY coming down. Max Payne this week is 19. They were trying to force it out of the gap. Yeah, I don't think they did it. Didn't work out too well for them, huh? 48 on Bank of America. I don't know if I'm going to do anything on this one. Let's see here. Yeah, also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Oxy making a move. Is it now? Yeah, Oxy coming up. BBIG selling off a little here. Amy, 1995. Need Amy at 25 today? Hey, I'd love that. How's my finger? It kind of hurts, but it's fine. SPY moving down. Space making a move. Hopefully down. Yeah, space coming down. There we go. BKKT, is it coming up? Yeah, here comes BKKT. All right, so it's got a nice cross. I don't know. This thing likes to run. SPY moving down and BKKT is looking good. I don't know. I don't know today. You're stuck with space overnight. Puts? I'll probably hold those overnight. DWAC? I don't know. Hold on. Let's see. What's BKKT going to do? SPY coming back up. The market just looks super whipsawy today. Like, it's just weird. It makes me not want to take anything right now. Tim, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Uber wanting to cross up. Yeah, Uber's trying. I mean, you guys have been calling out BKKT so many times, and then it just goes nuclear. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens with it over here. SPY just hanging out around the lows over here. 1990 on Amy. Still up 2.13%. I don't have GGPI now. Oxy. Still going. Selling off a little bit here. SPY going to cross at the 30. What? RSI cooling off, then rip again? Oh, it easily could. Easily could. Update on Liquid IV sponsorship. I don't think they've messaged me yet. Oxy coming back to life over here. Yeah, BKKT looks good here. I'll take some of these. Just for funsies. I don't know, man. SPY's coming down, flickering. It's just weird today. Did AMC get a cross already? Yeah, it crossed right here, coming down off the cross. Let's see what happens if it tests the 13. SPY is moving back to the downside here. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. I don't know about that one. What's charge point at? Oops. My fat finger hit it. That charge point coming back down. No changes on the cost to borrow. It's the exact same thing that we've been looking at on it. So SPY back down, new low. Amy, yeah, SPY coming down pretty hard here. Down about 0.8%. Charge point coming down. Are you still shaving my head? I never said I was going to shave my head. That will never happen. Let's see here. All right. PIK crossing, microfloat, easy retail trade. Maybe. Yeah, everything's just kind of flickering here. SPY hasn't really picked a direction yet. We haven't seen AMD downward slope yet. I mean, I'll just hold those until NVIDIA earnings just for fun. 1993 on AMC. SPY back down. He only shaves his finger. Yeah, I just took a chunk off. Okay. SPY flickering. Where's space? The only thing I really like is those space puts. That's really the only thing that I'm like, I like that. Back above 20 on Amy over here. Here we go. GME trying to come back up. Maybe a little RSI cool off. Let's see if we can get that new high over here, 2025. Let's see if we can go. Let's see if we can get some action over here, people. Back above 20. Am I still in school? I mean, technically, yes. All right. Space is looking across below 10 over here. Amy, 1999. SPY coming down. Ooh. I'm hoping space tanks. Me too. The Fed shouldn't be talking today. We should just be getting the Fed minutes from the last meeting, which we already kind of know about. Space down below 10. Space being annoying and not breaking under 10. It just did it. So let's see if it starts to sell here. SPY coming down a little. Amy, 1994. GME, 129.22. Here we go. Volume jumped on what? I mean, on AMC, it's 14 million over here. GME, 543,000. Space ticker, SPCE. All right, SPY chilling. Space, I don't know. Here comes gravity, hopefully on space. I hope so too. WTI crude oil back above 94. Is it? Yeah, 94.08. Oxy. Not moving off of it. Where's USO though? USO slowly making its way up here. SPY still at the low. Amy trying to cross above 20 again. Let's see here. Need space to go 9 and below. Jeez. Thoughts on BBIG? I mean, I like it. I have calls for this week. Hopefully it stops acting like an a-hole. Amy 20 flat right now. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move back up. Amy is very strong. Amy's very strong. What do you want? Space. That holding under 10. BKKT looking rippy. And I don't like it. I don't like it. NVIDIA green candle. Nothing on Micron. Amy 1998. Just kind of chilling over here. GME getting a little pop here. Come on. Party like it's 1999. That's the year I was born. You feel old yet? All right. This is what we're going to do over here. We're going to do this. We're going to charge the... We got $12 call, 12 BBIG calls for the 25th. There you go. Finding support at 20. Yeah. DraftKings week. Yeah. You got to put on BKKT, SPY down, Bitcoin down. Yeah. Amy right now flat at 20. 20 flat, 20.01. Here we go. Amy about to rip. I think so. Oh my God, I do feel old. There you go. Uber's about to cross. Keep an eye on it. All right, well, I'm just charging the mouse a little bit. The year I graduated high school. Jeez. Amy, 2005. Starting to get a little jumpiness over here. Come on, Amy. You graduated in 99? That's crazy. Yes, I feel old. I was a junior in high school in 99. That's crazy. 2002 on Amy over here. Still hanging right around that $20 level. Why do you... I don't call it AME. Oh, my God. It's Amy. It's a lady. Then we have Jimmy down over here. 2005. I get that question every day. That's like almost as bad as like saying like the feds are going to do it. All right. Amy 2003. Let's see what we got over here. Let's get back to 25. That'd be sweet. Class of 01. Damn, you guys are dinosaurs over here. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. 20 flat on Amy. Let's see. Any idea why we're making such a movement on low volume? Look, guys, remember, volume, result, not a cause. It's just buying pressure. Where are the buyers and sellers willing to buy at? That's it. It doesn't have to do with volume. Volume could be 10 on the day. And it wouldn't matter. If the buyers were willing to wipe out all the sell orders, then it would be completely fine. If you, I'm not old, I'm classic. That's funny. Unsubscribed. Puts on STV's age. Technically, you'd have a lot of upside potential on my age. Amy, 2011, getting a little bit of a pop over here. I like that. Oh, now everybody, dinosaurs, FUSTV. Let's see. We're vintage. Smash the like, says the Hood Investor. Yeah, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Amy, 2012. Come on. Come on, Amy. All right. The mouse is probably good for a little while now. All right. SPY moving up here. Space selling. 20. Oh, come on, Amy. Get that high. 10 more cents. Let's go. I used to like USG. Let's see. Sacrifice you, Mason. All right. You've been sacrificed. Oh, Amy. SPY moving up here. Space coming down. What was I looking at? Charge point. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Come on, Amy. Do your thing here. Coming down to test the 13 and just ripping right back up after that cross. I like this. Let's see if we can get that new high. If we do these 13 tests and make new highs, that's going to be very, very bullish going into the end, going through the rest of the day. Very bullish. Lift. Oh, there it is. New high on Amy over here. Let's see if we can get above 2030. 2030. Oh, it just hit it. New high at 2030. We need a bigger new day high in order for that to be like a nice 13 test and rip back up. It's coming down slowly. AMC call printed. David Morgan at a boy. I need someone to flush the SPY one more time for the puts to make some dumb money. It could easily do that after the Fed minutes come out. Easily. These AMC calls. My 2-year-old son is about to have a college education. There you go. All right, 2025 on Amy over here. Space just kind of holding right around 10. SPY coming back up here a little bit. Wants to make a little bit of a 5-minute MACD cross, but let's see what happens. GME right around 130, 129.97. Let's see what happens. Ankles are if we close above 20. So if we close above 20, you get ankles. What time do the Fed minutes come out? Should be 2. Should be 2. Oh, here. Come on, Amy. Go. Go. Go, 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 go. Buyers, let's see if they're going to step in. College education is overrated. Facts. CSRS calls were down 90. Where's Corsair? Is that 24 yet? It's doing all right. It's coming back to the upside. Oh, here we go. Big candle on Amy over here. Shot up 5 more cents from that previous high. 2035 is now the new high over here. Looking solid here, people. Need NVIDIA to pop. Yeah, charge point coming back. Yeah, it got the cross. One candle on it. 20. Oh, it's just flickering here. GME 130.21. I mean, I don't really see anything crazy today that I like. I was looking at stuff early. I might wait until the end of the day to trade stuff. What up, Vix? Thanks for the vids and solid info. Anytime, man. Let's see. Don't look now. BKKT. Damn. I still don't like it. It's not enough. Like, this isn't enough to print the options. Yeah, BKKT is running a little bit again. Do I FOMO it? Little FOMO? Baby FOMO? I think we go baby FOMO on BKKT. See if they'll fill me on this. Don't think that they will. Amy looking all right over here. SPY moving back up. They're not filling me. Let's see here. Come on. Fill me. Fill it. They had to have filled that. Yeah, they filled it. All right, cool. Let's see here. Scholar, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Never in a million years would I have imagined myself looking at stocks and anticipating seeing a grown man's ankles. Appreciate that, buddy. Thank you so much for the super, too. I really appreciate that. Up over 800% now. Jesus. All right, Amy flickering around. SPY. Let's see if it can get above this 13 here. BKKT can always get a little bit jumpy over here, so I'll probably leave these for a while. Make space go down. I'm trying. Hold on. Micron might get across here in a little while. Uncross up on the 4-hour. Micron wants to give us 100 today. What is that right now? 95? That'd be crazy. That would be crazy. I don't like it. FOMO engaged. Yeah. It's a little one. A little baby FOMO on a 1348 cross. Little MACD push. It's SPY rejecting here. That's no fun. SNDL ripping after that 1348 cross. Okay, I'll pull it up. I just don't like it. Yeah, because it needs to go up to $1. BKKT has earnings tomorrow. Very nice. Uber crossing now. Yeah, Uber crossing to the upside here. Let's see if SPY can break above this 13 EMA over here and then start to rally back up. Little 5-minute MACD cross. That'd be pretty sweet if it did. 2015 on Amy over here. BKKT, how's it looking? Yeah, there it goes. Jared, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Show us your right ankle this time. Okay, sure. Yeah, BKKT looking all right over here. Corsair $25 call up 102%. How? Mine sucks. Yeah, Uber, Micron. Is it? If Micron crosses, I'll play it. But it's not yet. Amy 2015. SPY rejecting over here. BKKT. Yeah, that looks all right over here. Let's see. Watch ARK for a short squeeze. AARK. Interesting. Yeah, I have BKKTs now. We'll see. Up 3% on BKKT. Nice. See if we hit that. Let's see here. UPST nonstop. That was after earnings. Yeah. Here comes BKKT again. Uber crossing and coming up. All right. YOLO. Uber likes to do its thing over here when it does these crosses and starts to trend up. Let's see what we want to do here, folks. No, SPY doesn't like it here. Uber flat. Amy looking all right. I need SPY to break above this. Ortex update? Yeah, I can give you one on it. Hey. AMC. All right. Let's see. 100 utilization over here. 21.08% estimated short interest. 121,000 shares borrowed. Uber looking all right. SPY not really doing the thing over here that I want it to do. I'll take a couple Ubers. Took a couple Ubers right here. So let's see. It's crossing. Looks good. SPY looks like it could try here. So let's see. I do have a couple of Ubers now. BKKT, how's this doing? BKKT still looking all right. Amy coming down a little bit here. SPY just kind of flickering. You an Uber too? I just got the Uber. I just got some Uber. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. If SPY's going to move down like this, which I fucking don't like. SPY, stop. Just get above the 13 and start to go. Let Uber run. That's what I want to see out of you. I just did the Ortex on AMC. Yeah, so I just got some Uber. Let's see. BKKT, how's it doing over here? BKKT actually looks pretty solid over here. AMC spike at 25. That'd be nice to see. It'd be nice to see. 2010 right now on Amy. SPY trying to move back up. BKKT looking for a new day high. Uber. Here we go, Uber. Here we go, Uber. Come on now. Don't show us your right ankle. Everybody will know you're on house arrest. SPY wants to gap fill. Down. He's coming back up here. So Uber looking all right. BKKT. Yeah, let's see what happens with this. Amy, 2012. Oil moving up again. Where's Oxy? Coming down. SPY flickering over here. Is this squeeze now? That's a silly question. All right. Oxy coming down to the 13 over here. Amy 2012 starting to move back up here a little bit. They are shorting the spot. They're shorting every index right now. They're shorting TLT, IWM, spot, everything. No, I want to see. I'm not on house arrest, people. I'm not on house arrest. Oxy not following yet. It does that. It tends to move a little bit weird. So Oxy coming down. SPY trying to make a little bit move up. 2017 on Amy over here. CNBC downplaying DOJ investigating hedge funds. They said short interest is down. That's kind of incorrect. Just in general, short interest is pretty high on a lot of things. BKKT coming down a little. Uber. Here comes Uber. I like that. Micron coming back. Yeah, Uber's looking good here. Micron might get a little bit of a cross here. What are these Ubers at? Then why are you scared of feds? I just don't like when it's called the feds because it's the Fed. 5% on Uber over here, down slightly on BKKT, not really like a percent. Micron is coming back to life here a little bit. SPY's getting a little bit of a move here. All right, Micron. Amy trying to get a little bit of a move here. 2020. I like it. Bank of America approaching intraday high. That sucks. It's fine though. Probably gonna hold the Amy handle. Uber. What's going on here? Uber coming up. I like it. When is your probation over? I don't have probation. Do you play all the in the money calls? No. I go a little bit out of the money. Usually one strike. SPY moving up here a little. Amy pop. Here we go. Making that high. Come on. 3 more cents. Here we go. Uber looking solid. BKKT looking good. Up 12% on Micron. There you go. Someone just pointed out to me that A might be able to tell us something cryptic. 3. I don't know about that, Crypto Rocketeer. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, new high on AMC over here. 2042. Here we go. Come on now. BKKT's making new highs over here. I like that. What's going on with Uber? Uber looking really good over here. I like the look of this thing. Yeah, I want to break that high at, what is it, 2096 that we were saying? Uber's looking real good over here. What are these contracts up? All right, 11% up a little bit on the BKKTs. Yeah, Uber looking good. Amy, come on now. SPY, make a move. DWAC is rising yet again. Damn. I just don't like it. It's too flickery. BKKT, how's this looking? Looking all right here. Amy, come on. Let's go. SPY, time to go. Time to rip. BBIG looking to consolidate. Yeah. What do you think the effects of the EO will kick in? What's EO? Let's see. AMC T-Rex eating hedge funds. All right. All righty. Amy 2034 up 4.5% right now. Looking good over here, people. SPY flickering around here. I used Webull for options. Oh, executive order. Which one? All right, BKKT selling off here. SPY looking all right. Let's see what happens with this. Uber. Uber sold off a little bit from the high. Show us your short interest. What the hell is that? 2036 on Amy over here. Uber selling off a little. SPY kind of consolidating right here. Let's see if Uber's going to get a little bit of a move. I'm probably going to diamond hand these Ubers for a little while. BKKT. Still looking good. Russell is ripping. Amy coming up here. Hold on. Yeah, Russell's coming up. Amy 2032. Russell can get squeezy. Let's see if it's going to get a 1348 cross to the upside. That would be sweet. It's ankle day. It could be. Hit the like if you want. Moas says, Kevin, yeah, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. We want to make sure people hear about the AMC stuff. So make sure you're engaging with the creators that you likes videos. Just drop that like on the street. SAS is having a nightmare today. Interesting. Is Prague worth messing with? I'd be careful with it. Uber trying to move here. IWM coming back up. Amy 2033. Let's see, where's SPY? SPY flickering at the 13. We know you didn't diamond him. Well, on the morning calls, no. What price is oiled ankles? I don't know, man. I don't know. We need to see Amy ripping dollars, not cents. Well, yes, but we need to be at a higher higher price. Like we need we need more like 4% move is only $0.83, 83 cents. I don't know why I said it like that. That was weird. BKT on a small pause. Bank of America back up. Had to cut it. I had to cut that too. Yep, BKKT back down a little bit here. What were we looking at? BBIG. BBIG trying here, but not getting a whole lot of action. SPY just kind of hanging out over here. 2030 on Amy. JM, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. The executive order is restricting U.S. institutions holding some Chinese bonds connected to anything military, so possibly big collateral hit. Ooh, okay. It could be a little bit of a collateral hit right there, especially if it's like, yeah, it could be. So then they would just have to either basically transfer other they would have to buy more qualifying collateral, basically, if they're not going to be using cash. So it could. Headed to 22 violently. I'm hoping, man. I mean, SPY moving back down a little bit here. Amy's looking solid. 2031. Where's Uber? Uber with a nice cross. It's holding pretty good over here. BKKT coming back up. Amy, 2033. SoFi up. Yeah, SoFi was looking jumpy a little bit this morning. Jumpy. Yeah, SoFi coming back up. AMC 2032. SPY. I don't know. Verizon cross. Yeah, that Verizon cross earlier. Let's see what it would have done. Yeah, no. Verizon cross down now. Interesting. GME 129.79. Amy right around 2030 here. SPY making a move down here. Uber coming back up though. Come on, Micron. Go green on the day. Where is it? Oh, here it goes. Here comes Micron trying to get a little cross here. So I'm going to get a little tiny baby Micron play, I think. And if it crosses, I'll get another one. I've been playing a lot of Micron. We'll get this. SPY back up. Micron looking all right. All right, Uber. There we go. Nvidia popping. Yeah. Over 21, we should jump. Yeah, I agree. Uber coming back up here at that previous day high. Here it comes. SPY not doing a whole lot, but Uber's looking real good. BKKT, how's this doing over here? Oh, there it goes. There we go. All right. Now I have to figure out how to diamond hand these microns and all these other calls that I have. Interesting. Let's have some fun. All righty. I believe a 130.46 cross on GME to get rippy. He already crossed it. 130.75. Maybe a closing candle. Yeah, here comes BKKT to the upside. SPY down. Where's Uber? Uber, yeah, back down with the SPY. SPY, you're not helping me right here. You're doing zero to help me right now. Micron, probably down. It's all right here. Micron looks like it wants to get a little jumpy here, so we'll see. Space coming back up again. Just don't sell. I know. So paper handing some microns. Turn your phone off so you diamond hand. No, I'll be fine. I did it yesterday. SAS. What's SAS? It's just flickering over here. What's this? Amy coming back up. 1348 cross to the upside. Needs to get above the 200. Closing candle above the 200 on the 4-hour. SPY coming down. Amy coming up. I like that. I like the look of this over here, everybody. Neo about to cross. There you go. Uber. There it goes. BioLife, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. AMC day traders need to get burnt to stop this up and down. Once they get burnt, they would be out of the way. Sort of. If they, so what needs to, people think of day traders, I think, in the wrong way. Day traders are going to further a move in one direction. If you're coming down, they're going to short push it down even more. If it's going up, they're going to buy and make it even more aggressive to the upside. So what we really need is an initial move to the upside, have the day traders come in and bid it up. That's what we want to see. The day trader, it's the same thing as options. It's like saying options are bad. It's like, no, they're not. If we have a lot of those in the money, at the money options, they really, really help. Amy looking to try and get that new high over here. SPY kind of flickering around. Uber doing all right. BKKT, what's going on with this? Oh, I like it. Micron. Here it comes. What is going on with space? Oh boy, did it come back up? AMC, 2 cents off. Micron, how we doing? Oh, Micron looking good here, trying to get that cross. You're supposed to check since this morning on SAS. I don't even know what it is. All right, Micron flickering, Amy coming down, Spy flickering here. Uber, how are we looking? Uber looking good. IWM may cross. Yeah, IWM was looking for a cross a little while ago. So let's see if it's about to IWM. Yeah, IWM is looking real good over here. So IWM could cross. Amy 2027. Uber looking real good. BKKT was also looking pretty solid. Let's see if we can get above 9 though. Above 9 could be a little bit jumpy for BKKT. Nvidia moving. I mean, that's probably going to move Micron and AMD back to life, right? Yeah, I mean, Micron's moving. AMD, what's going on with this beast? AMD is down horrendously. That's no fun. AMC 2034. IWM is coming up here. There we go. AMD coming back to life. Micron, we getting a little pop here. Yup. Here we go. Keep trying to tell you hood crossed. Right, but hopefully to the downside. If it crossed up, I don't care. Yeah, no thank you. Fuck off, hood. Uber. Uber looking good. BKKT, let's see if that can get above 9. Charge point ripping. Fuck. I wanted that one earlier. Yeah, charge point. I wanted it. I just wasn't looking at it. I wanted it above 1535. That was the high yesterday right over here. So charge point can get a little bit spicy over here. IWM looking good. Amy looking to approach that high. Did it just make this new high? 2045? I think so. Yeah, AMC new high. Here we go, people. Let's see if we can get jumpy up here at BKKT. Come on now. Flickering. Uber. What's going on with you, buddy? Yeah, Uber still looking real good. Micron, how are those doing? Are we getting a little bit of a run up in the chip makers now? A little sell off here. Those are probably slightly green. Yeah, Amy, new high. Yeah, Lyft, nice run. So you could have caught the Lyft early. I got the Uber on the cross. All right, BKKTs are up. Ubers are up 16%. Microns are down 1%. Amy, come on now, buddy. Yeah, Uber looking real good. Lyft printing. The Ubers are printing right now, up 20% on Uber. So we got IWM in the bottom left. Let's get Spy over here. Wow. Spy just kind of flickering, hanging around this range over here. 2040 on Amy. Uber looking real good. Real good on Uber. How are the... Come on now. I just had my contracts up 20% and it's at the high. What are you doing here? Amy 2042 looking to get back up to that high over here. Let's see what happens with it. All right, here we go, Uber. Up 16% on Verizon. There you go. Kramer tweet, winning stocks I like, Upstart and Airbnb. He's just chasing. American Express printing. XP. No, it's up 0.5%. 15% on charge point calls. There you go. All right, 10% on BKKT, 20% on Uber, down a little bit on Micron, but I like Micron going into the end of the day here with Nvidia earnings coming up. So Micron selling off a little bit. GME looking for that high 25. Ooh, hold on, that was a big move. We're 2 cents off of it on AMC right now from that high. Let's see if we can get it. Uber freaking strong, dude. Big E up 5%. It's coming back to life. 1348 is a cheat code. Thanks, SCV. Jason, anytime, buddy. Can you check every stock there is, please? No. GME got across this morning. Yeah, right here, right around. You could have gotten it at 126 if you wanted to ride up the calls. Uber flickering around here. Spy moving down a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, 16% on the Ubers right now. Not bad. Uber coming down a little here. Spy making a move to the downside. Alrighty, people. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. We want to get this information out to people. AMC, it's looking like we're going to start to get some crazy moves going into the next couple of days and weeks. So make sure we're able to tell people about it and just show them what's going on. So make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream, get the engagement up. 16% on Uber. Yeah, mine are 14, 15% right now. Now it's down a little bit more, 11%. Spy's moving down here. Amy's coming up though. It's not bad. BKKT, I'll hold these Ubers for a while. BKKT looking all right. GME new highs over here again. A pop. I like to see this. Amy, it's your time to shine here. New highs. Come on now. Come on now. You can get the 2 out. You just have to click. It's just, you got to click this. All right. Amy looking for a new high. Uber doing all right over here. Can I check Tilray? Okay, Tilray. Tilray, 1348 cross and ripping right here. That's a big one. All right, Amy 2035, SPY flickering around here. GME looking good. Yeah, the AA tweet was awesome. All right, Tilray is really getting up there. There you go. SNDL, is that coming up with it? Yeah, SNDL's up for it. GME approaching that high. AMC trying over here. Let's see, where's Uber? Uber looking fine. BKKT doing all right. What made me jump in on Micron before the cross? Nvidia earnings. I'm just playing the run up again. You'll probably cross in a little while. Like, where's Nvidia right now? People are going to bid it up, I think, going into close. Like, Nvidia just kind of hanging around the 8 right here. AMC 2034. SPY just kind of flickering over here. Uber, what do we got? Uber. There we go. Amy 2036. New candles. What did AA tweet? He tweeted, well, would you look at this? Justice Department is pursuing wide-ranging investigation of short sellers. Federal prosecutors are investigating whether short sellers conspired to drive stock prices down. I like that. Here we go. Uber approaching that high. He bought it because of Nancy Pelosi. SCV, you may want to dump your space puts. Nah, I'm keeping those. I'm keeping them. I'll keep those for this week. I think space could tank. I went really, really small. To BBIG going now. Is it? It's getting a little pop. Little bit of a pop. What are the Ubers doing? Uber, yeah, it's coming up to the high and then selling right back off. I don't like that. Lucid about to cross up. Ooh. Hoo. Lucid is trying to cross up here, but again, it has this right here. We've seen this a couple of times, like what we were looking at with ChargePoint. Like, what's ChargePoint doing now? You could have gotten the calls and started printing on it right here. I just didn't like that it had this, or where was it? This 1535. So the ChargePoint calls would have been really good. I was just waiting to see if it was going to break that yesterday's high. AMC coming up here a little bit, but ChargePoint was a winner. Uber doing all right. BKKT doing all right. FSR. Fisker was doing pretty good. Yeah, Fisker cross and just moon mission right here. Amy coming up. Come on. It's a 2 cents off. Let's go. Oh, there it goes. Amy breaking highs. 2052 right now. Let's go, people. Micron crossing. Yeah. Oh, GME new highs as well. Guys, this is looking good today. Woo! Yeah, Micron trying to cross over here. Where's Uber? Uber being an a-hole. Oh, Uber. What the fuck? Thinks you're showing them ankles today? I might be, man. I think I will. Perfectly fine with it, too. Still up 11% on the Uber. BKKTs are a little bit down. Microns are a little bit down, but we'll see what happens over here. Amy is looking good. New highs, 2057. All right, people. I formally request some 21. Time to sell Uber? No. Get out of here with that. Thanks for streaming every day, Chris. Appreciate that, buddy. ChargePoint going. God damn it. ChargePoint looking really good. What about like EVgo? I formally request some 21. Yeah, EVgo cross and rip. Amy coming back up here. SPY flickering. AKT being an asshole. Uber, what in the fuck are you doing? Neo cross soon. There you go. Oh, 2058. Here we go. Uber coming down. That's slightly annoying. Are you playing NVIDIA? No. If Uber breaks a certain level, I'm going to get out of it. FY Shields 2021 is not MOAS. Correct. SPY flickering, trying to come back up here. Let's see if the buyer step back on Uber. BKKT coming down. Yeah, I'm still good on those. Amy is just hanging out at the high over here. Uber's flickering. SPY flickering. Let's see here. Daddy, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Adam Aaron once said the shorts should be shitting their pants. I like that. Hold on. I'm watching a level on Uber that I want to see. 21,000. Yeah. All right, let's see what happens. GME looking all right over here. Uber just flickering. Oh, Lucid crossed. Hold on. Yeah, Lucid coming back to life over here. So Lucid could be a good one. I'm just watching these Ubers closely. Just kind of see what's going to happen with it. SPY flickering here, not doing a whole lot. Do you think shorts are scared at this level? No, but this is a little bit of a danger zone for them. Did you cut the space put? No. I went tiny. It's for this week. Like I'm playing it on a little reversion over the next couple of days. Amy is really close to that previous high over here. So let's see what happens. SPY coming up a little here. Let's see if Uber gets a candle. If this start, fuck. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. It came back up. I was watching 37.20. Came right back up. Oh, Amy. Amy. Come on, Amy. I feel like I should just diamond hand the Ubers, right? Uber just a little pullback. That's what I think. GME coming up here. SPY trying. I don't know. We'll see. Got to break 2075, the neckline. Yeah. It's holding. Wow, let's watch it at the 13 right here. Ubers are slightly in the red. Neo cross. Neo's been good. That Neo cross looking good. Where's Lucid? Did Lucid get the cross yet? No. Amy, SPY selling. All right. Uber. Oh my Uber. What the shit? All right. Let's see. Waiting for a reversal going in on Roblox. Bounced off the 13. Back D looks like it's curling down. Lyft. What's going on with Lyft? Okay, Uber's sucking right now after it looked awesome. Lyft, little pullback, but nothing too crazy. And it is coming down now. Uber, what are you doing? Yeah, Uber, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Uber. No, thank you. Those are down like 10%. Bye-bye. This rips to 30. We could have shaved head. I'm not going to do it. Not going to do it. Alrighty here. BKKT, how's this looking? It's selling down around the 13. Yeah, 15% stop loss on Uber. Thank you. Out of here. Let's see. You watch Uber hits 40? Watch. It will. Now it will. Definitely will now. Amy 2032 right here. Let's see. Fed minutes should be around 2. Should be around 2. I'm not shaving my head. Like, it's not happening. Sorry. Like, it's not happening. SPY trying to make a little move here. Uber. Did it just pull right back up? Nah, Uber looks shitty. But where's charge point? Charge point sold off a little here. Lucid. Where's space? I still think that's going to tank. AMD will rip at 11. Yeah. At 30 juggle Tito's bottles? No, that's not going to happen. That will not happen. BBIG. Is it coming back up? There it is. Ethan, thank you so much for the super. He said Uber bye-bye. Financial advice confirmed. Caught you red-handed. Oh, that's not what I said. I said like goodbye. Like bye-bye Uber. Thanks for the super, Ethan. I appreciate that, buddy. Where is it now? That was a good one. Getting out of there. Getting out of there quick. That's just nonsense here. Coming up, really, really good, really, really good, and then just tank. It's like, oh, they're watching me? Oh, cool. Just kidding. That's just nonsense happening in the market. Space are selling tickets today. Yeah, we'll see. You will not be juggling to me today or paper hand. Hold them if you want, but you're just not following the rules at that point on 1348. Let's see. They're watching you. Let's see. Bro, stop telling us that Uber's a good buy for your own good. I hope you're not serious with that because that is a terribly stupid statement. PIK. Let's see. Amy selling off. Everything's starting to sell off a little bit here. You said bye-bye Uber. I did. Well, that would be you are a stupid person. Like, that's just stupid. I was like, goodbye, Uber. All right, here we go. BBIG. Let's see. It's just chilling here. 2028 on Amy. SPY coming down. I am not serious with that. Thank you. Appreciate that. TLT coming up. Yeah, Strangle could be good. STV, all he does is bump Uber. Yeah, exactly. Okay. SPY moving back up here. Where's BKKT? Chilling. Amy 2026. Sell off Ortex on off. Okay, stop. BKKT coming back up here. Amy 2025. Let's see what we got over here. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. We know the Tito story is BS. We know it's a kid. No. Micron, did it cross? Yeah, nope. We'll see what happens with it. Uber scammer. Alrighty. Let's see. Micron's selling off a little here. Let's see. If we can hold that 2025, we're bouncing right back up. Yeah, it's right at the 13 EMA right here. SPY's just looking a little bit weak right now. Market hasn't really picked its direction all that much today, so we'll see what happens with it. Okay. All right. TLT Strangle still alive. All right, let's see. Let's see here. Amy popping up. SPY trying to get a little bit of a move here, but let's see what we got going on today. All righty. Still waiting for the Santa Claus rally. I mean, it already happened. Oxy, we had like a week or like a couple days of Santa Claus rally. Oxy day high. Oxy bouncing off the 13. A lot of wicks over here. SPY slowly coming down. GME coming off of the high. Tito story was BS. I bit him. No, you did not. Is BKKT ripping? It's trying. Maybe the gap on the SPY wants to fill later with the Fed minutes. Yeah, that's kind of what I think too. It might. I mean, the Fed minutes most likely are probably going to send things tumbling. Just because of the last time that they came out, everything just went right down. BKKT doesn't make any money yet, so how does earnings work? Well, they're not going to make any money. It's just going to be about expectations going in. Maybe it'll get a little bit of a run up into earnings. We'll see. 22, end of the day, shave your beard. I don't have a beard, bro. Let's see. All right, SPY trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. Where's Uber? Huh, diamond hand the Uber, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you want to diamond hand the Uber where it just tanks on you? No, none of that. CFEI Rumble looks healthy. Yeah, with the Trump stuff today, I mean, it looked all right. That's up 3.5%. That's not bad. GME 131.11. Amy 2022. SPY trying to bounce up a little bit here. Go ball. Stop trying to get me to shave my head. It's not happening. Why is Motley Fool bullish? They're idiots. You diamond hand everything. Well, that's silly. SPY moving back up here. Lucid. Nope. Okay, so you gotta go see my guy later. Box TLT trying to cross up. It's trying over here. Caleb, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Russia is definitely corrupt. The proof is in the Putin. That's funny. Oh, Amy, 2032. Here we go, people. Let's see. Shave your ankles. That's weird. Shave. Okay, stop. Stop. We already do ankles. We're not doing anything else crazy. TLT coming up. Neo is looking like it wanted to cross. Nope. Pinterest trying. Yeah, it's trying. It's trying here. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move. I almost just want to wait until the end of the day or until Fed minutes come out now and just wait for it. Too busy at work to day trade. Moved all my cash to AMC earlier this week as a high interest savings account. Working out nicely. Big Dave Bulls. There you go, buddy. Love to see that. Oxy getting the beans. Why is this whole beans thing today? Yeah, Oxy's getting a little pop here. Where's USO? USO. Yeah, USO looking good today. SPY slowly making its way back up. Uber stuck at 36.82. Yeah, that's why I cut it too early because it was just randomly getting terrible doom candles. All right. Amy 2029. SPY flickering over here. USO doing all right. BBIG, what's going on with this? Oh, trying to make a little bit of a move here. BioLife Hemp, thank you so much for the super, buddy. SV, look at shares on loan for AMC. They're manipulating it, keeping it at 100%. Pull shares available today. They do a share recall to close to ER, calling it now. Yeah, you've said that a couple of times. I mean, they could do a little bit of a recall, but right now, like it's only a 2 million share difference. 117 million shares on loan. 108 million shares estimated to be sold short. Borrowed shares 132,000. I mean, cost to borrow 1.54. That's not a significant difference. It's just like right around where we were, right around where we've seen it over the past couple of days. Nvidia and AMD in a tight channel. Yeah, where's Micron? Yeah, Micron chilling right at the 48. Let's see. Okay, why do you guys want to see random body parts? That's just weird. That's just suspicious. You guys are suspicious. You guys are very, very suspicious. Micron coming back. Oh, SPY with a candle. SPY candle. Let's see. Can you create 1348 cross alerts on Webull? No, that's what the premium Discord's for. You get the alerts on 300 stocks in the market. That's what the premium's for. SLB for oil again, up 200%. No cross, just delta theta. There you go, buddy. Some odd fetishes in today's chat. Yeah. SPY flickering. SPY has literally done nothing for like the last hour. Amy 2030. EKKT chilling. Your maintenance man is suspicious. Can I see your thumbprint? Why? Any thoughts on IAU? I have no idea what that is. Gold? Careful. Like if the rate hikes come and inflation starts to back down, gold's gonna go down. Careful with that. Amy 25 end of the day. Dude, I'd love to see that. I would love to see that. Micron trying. There we go. Got my average down to 28.37 today. Trying to get it to 25. Andrew C. There you go, buddy. Yeah, Micron trying to come back up here. Amy getting a little bit of a pop. SPY, big pop over here. EKKT. Trying. Uber. Nope. Pinned. BBIG back in action. Oh, I would love to see that. Yeah, BBIG trying a little bit. GME coming up. AMC 2039. SPY getting a little bit of action over here. I like this. Let's see. BBIG. We'll leave this one up for a little while. See if it's going to get some buyer. Oh, it is right here. 375. Not bad. Watch this. I mean, I want to see it break that pre-market high of 395. That's what I really want to see on PBIG. Because then my call is print. Neo Green. Lucid. Hold on. Oh, Neo. Neo trying to cross over here. SoFi's trying. SoFi was looking decent earlier on that. It wasn't at 1348, but it just ripped. Amy trying. BBIG gonna fly. We hope. I hope so too. SPY trying. We need a reversal. No. A reversal on what? Amy's already up 5% on the day. SPY's down a little bit, about 0.5%. Let's see. Did you play Oxy today? Nah, I have those calls kicking around. They're kind of dead. If we get really crazy oil moves and the market freaks out, then they'll print. But if not, I'm fine with it. Do you deep sea fish? I have. I'll lose a bad person. When is J? We're not getting Powell speaking. We're getting the minutes. So I think that's at 2. IWM, here we go. Well, SPY's coming up here. IWM, is it getting a little cross? Yeah, IWM's trying again over here. So Amy, 2047. We're 10 cents off that high. Bocked. Comes bocked. Here comes the Duck Gang. What's up, X Death Zero? How you doing, buddy? All right, 2050 on Amy. Let's see. The Ducks filtering in. Oxys, what kind of market stream is this? Occidental Petroleum. That's what we look at over there. 2 p.m. on the Eastern. Should be Eastern. Amy coming up. Come on. Spot. Oh, that's IWM. SPY. What do we got going on over here? Oxy trying to move a little. We'll see. Yeah, I'm not touching it today. We see it really start to freak out. Yeah, it's trying. Amy 2049. Stop at the Walmart strangle. I'm not playing Walmart earnings. Don't spam that, Devin. When is Walmart earnings? Isn't it like next week? Amy, come on now. SPY. BKKT just chilling. Tell the people that open as earnings next week, and there's some spicy options buying going on. Interesting. Very good, buddy. Everybody smash that like, says X Depth 0. Appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, for everybody filtering in too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. GME mate about to make a new high. Yeah, at 30 cents off over here. Amy is trying. BKKT looking all right. Has AMC cost of borrow changed a little? Like 0.02 or 3%. It's nothing on the average. It's nothing too crazy. SPY's trying to get a little bit of a move here. Let's see what happens with Amy. BKKT. Micron, what's going on with you? Micron not doing so hot. Walmart strangle. Stop it, Devin. You missed Ortex earlier? Yeah. Okay. So Ortex over here, it's no different. 1.5. Ooh, maximum cost bar now 3.94. That's a little bit higher, but average is 1.54. The average is not really changing. I want to see a big jump in cost to borrow with the amount of like utilization being that high. Even with the delay that we've seen, it should be much higher right now. Let's see here. Neocross, Airbnb ripping. Airbnb also just had earnings. Or cross anywhere? Yeah, crossed right here. Yeah, that's not bad. I mean, it was probably really expensive. Neo, you guys were saying? Neo trying over here. Ryan, thanks so much for the super, bud. I appreciate that. Keep up the good work, SCV. In my opinion, it's call season again for AMC. Next major resistance in the 22 to 2350 range. Break that. We're heading to 30. It easily could be. Easily could be. PBIG, is it doing anything over here? Ryan, thank you so much for that super, man. I really appreciate that. Amy 2043 having a solid day today over here. Yeah, GME, nice little cross, and it's just slowly coming up. All right, Amy 2044. KKT coming back to life over here. Do a shout out to my buddy Corsi. What's up, Corsi? How you doing? Unless you got me with that one, and then I'm gonna be upset at you. But hi. AMC negative beta. Funny. Lucid is waiting for you to buy so I can crash. Dude, that was nonsense on Uber. It was going, and then they just rug pulled it. I was like, thanks, guys. Awesome. Thanks for the rug pull. SoFi, is it going? No. GME trying over here. AMC chilling at 2040. SPY flickering around. BKKT and flickering. TLT potentially going to cross. Could be a big play if the Fed minutes are super hawkish. Yes, that could be also with that TLT play that I have. That could be nice going into the Fed minutes today. Damn, what's wrong with Walmart? Nothing. You just keep spamming it. I wouldn't strangle it. You could play the run up. Let's see here. Walmart and Palantir earnings are tomorrow morning. Oh, it's tomorrow morning. Interesting. Moonwalker, thanks for that super, bud. I appreciate that. Why is Hood up? Because Kathy's probably over there slapping the ass. Super head fakey so far. Micron, good or bad? Micron, what are you doing? Palantir going, earnings tomorrow. Is it ripping? Little cross on Palantir over here. Amy 2041. SPY flickering around over here. Motley Fool finally missed that AMC and GME have a legit long-term upside potential. Yeah, they literally bought GME. BBIG moving. Down. It's not moving. All right. Amy 2038. SPY literally not. It's just waiting for the minutes, I think, which is weird because we already know what's been said. BKKT. Lucid Cup and Handle. Maybe. Let me look. Let's look. Let's take a look-see over here at Lucid. Man, look that hot. Yeah. The market this week has been super head fakey. There's been winners and losers, but super head fakey across the board. I'd buy Facebook if it got down to 18. I think everybody would do that. SPY flicker in here. Locked. Let's see. It's almost like Motley Fool wouldn't write something that doesn't benefit them somehow, but they did. It was so stupid. That is the dumbest institution of all time. Dumbest people in like the world, Gasparino and Motley Fool. Plug cross up. Yeah. I don't know. It's just the market. See, here's the thing with the 1348s and stuff today. If the market's not going to do anything, the 1348s are going to struggle. Just in general, it's going to be hard to trade stuff if the market is literally just going to hang out in this range. Like until we see it start to pick a direction, things aren't really going to move a whole lot. My bad, bro. All good, Devin. Let's see. Not touching Facebook until $10. Funny. BBIG. It's flickering over here. Amy 2040 looking all right. GME 132.36. Facebook looking juicy at those prices. If it ever finds a floor, full transfer to Meta, it's gonna boom. Yeah, they called their employees. What they call their employees? It was so stupid. I was like, I would sell Facebook too on that news. What do they call? Zuckerberg calls staff metamates. That's just get out of here with that. BKKT going over here. Anyone read the Wall Street Journal bit on short side? We've taken a look at it a few times. Does 1348 work on daily chart? Yeah. All I need is 10 million to quit my job and trade full time. Is that too much to ask? That's a lot. GME 131.84, Amy 2034. Still looking good across the board over here. Wait until the FOMC minutes hit. 25 basis point rise, not 50. Then market goes boom. Ooh, if they do release something like that, the market could go crazy. Oh, it is. Are they coming? Is it coming out at 2? I'll do a SPY strangle or something. You're up 1.6% on your BKKT calls. What are mine up? Mine are down 0.77%. Like it's tiny moves over here. Oh, that didn't help it. Let's see. SPY coming up here. Let's see what happens with BKKT. Blocked. Market would explode. Yeah, it was. Micron crossing down. Worried. No, never really crossed up. Sort of, but like not really. So we'll see what happens with this. I think they're going to get a little bit of a run at the end of the day anyway. SPY's coming back up here. Amy's getting a little bit of a pop. Like number 1.6K plus. Appreciate that, Hugh. Yeah. Also, guys, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the streams. And it's every creator over here. Make sure you guys are engaging with the content so we can get the information out to more people. Like we can do our best to get the information that we see important out to everybody. But if like the information is not getting out to new people, it's nobody's gonna find no new people are gonna find out about AMC. So make sure you guys are engaging with the content. Sometimes you got to play AMC weeklies. Like this week, I have not played AMC weeklies in forever. Explode or implode? Yes. AMC max pains at 19. 8 Bach doing all right. Amy 2041. GME 131.99, right around 132. Where's Hugh Janus today? I don't know. I saw him in here, I think, a little bit. Oh, no, maybe that was Hugh G. Rection. Those two guys coming in here. 2040. Look at BBIG. Well, is it moving or is it coming back down? Oh, come on. Go. It does look all right over here. It does look decent. So let's see what happens with it. If it says 21, I'm making me a strong drink. There you go. Yeah, there's Hugh. Hi, Hugh. All right, BBIG coming up a little bit here. Amy 2040, SPY back down, balked. BKKT, big red. It's just head fakey today. Like everything is just like whoop, head fake. Okay. If you want to speak Spanish, why would I want to speak Spanish? Yeah, BKKT selling. Bounce back up. Bouncing off the 13. Did it over here too. Let's see what happens with it. SPY down. Amy flicker in here. A lot of volume on AMC today. 23.22 million. Decent. Everything's exactly. Everything's just sideways trading right now. So after that, I'm probably not touching anything until after Fed minutes, and then even then, like we'll see what happens. Well, he'll go back up. How do we get Max Payne to 500? Lots of puts. We don't want to do that. Hugh, thank you so much for the super, my man. I'm always here. Thanks, buddy. See more butts. Okay. SPY moving back down over here. Box just kind of flickering. I think oil in limbo until news in Ukraine. Yeah, it's just been so like, oh, they're not going, and now they're going. It's like, come on, dude. 94.90 on oil right now. Hold on. Where's Oxy? Oxy's selling off with that. SPY's coming down. Oil's coming up. What's GLD doing? GLD hanging pretty much flat over here. That was a big oil move. Jeez, man. All right, I might ditch the box. See what happens with it. If it breaks, let's see. Cheap SPY strangle before the minutes? You could. Incoming lunch on our AMC stupidity. Hopefully stupidity to the upside. That would be pretty sweet. Yeah, oil made a micron. What is it doing? It's just bouncing over here. Let's see. SCB Wen Wrench, thanks for the super buddy. This one is for Hugh Janus, ankles at 401. Hey, if we close above 20, we'll get the ankles. SPY moving back up here a little. Micron trying to move. It's just so flat. Like, it's just a little bit of a move. Then, all right, bye-bye box. Let's see if it'll fill me. That should fill. SPY trying to move up here. It's just nothing doing anything crazy today. It's just slow moves. Nothing going on. All right, you have to fill that. If you don't fill that, you're a crazy person. How, bro? How are you not filling me on this? This is craziness. All right, let's see. All right. SPY trying to move here. Bach not doing anything. Amy coming down. All right. Bye-bye. All righty. Uber cross down now. Yeah, below. Let's see if it breaks below the 200. We can get Uber puts. Your Corsair call's doing good? Hold on. Where's mine? It's still dead. My Corsair call is still dead. I gotta hold it. SPY trying to move a little here. Uber flickering around. I think it's Webull. Have you tried options on it? You think? No, it's not Webull. I steal stuff on Uber on Webull all the time. Let's see. Looks like SPY wants to distribute. That means down, right? All right. Amy, 2016. Uber chilling here. What about like DraftKings? DraftKings, no cross. Dude, SPY is so flat today. You got the same calls as you. Don't know why mine are moving and yours aren't. What do you mean? On what stock? Let's see here. All right. SPY trying to flicker over here. Uber is going to go back up. I disagree. Market's weak. 20. Yeah, but I got it for earnings. Mine is clapped. Let's see. Fed Kashkari says Fed can soften demand by raising rates, tightening financial conditions, but that won't address supply side issues. Exactly. So why raise rates? All right. Uber coming down a little here. Amy still above 20, 2014. What earnings today? Nvidia. Let me see. What do we get on earnings today? Earnings whisper. Let's see what we get. Let's check. All right. So after hours say we have Nvidia, Marathon Oil, Matterport, QuantumScape, Cisco, DoorDash, and Fastly. Tomorrow, pre-market, Palantir, Walmart, Fiverr. That's really it. Then after close tomorrow, Roku, Dropbox, Redfin, and Shake Shack. Gold. Is gold moving? Yeah, gold pop. Where's oil? 94 cents. Oxy, what are you doing right here? Oil is pumping. USO, what are you doing? USO getting a candle over here. Oil's ripping. This is weird. Redfin's going to crash. Get your puts now. How'd Zillow do? It's like the same thing over there. BKKT just got smacked. Good thing I'm out of it. Yeah, I right as it hit that one level where it was crossing below the 13, didn't look like it was coming back, out. That was like a 9% loss on BKKT. Cutting them quick today. I'm just cutting them quick in the pre-market. Not in the pre-market, like during the morning. Like these things are just not, the whole market's just not really doing a whole lot today, which is fine. You're not going to get stuff every single day. Yeah, my Micron's struggling a little bit too. It's coming back up though. Micron's coming back up. Let's see. I mean, the Microns from yesterday are in the money. The Microns from yesterday are in the money. So if you held the ones from yesterday, you're good. Premium burn day, thanks, bye. Yeah, oil pumping and Oxy isn't moving. Yeah, it's so weird. I hate when that happens. Yeah, USO's moving. Micron coming back up. USO, what are we doing over here? Yeah, USO looks good. GLD, same chart. Amy, 2019. We need news. We need news on something. BKKT going to bounce off the 48? Yeah, it might. Doesn't mean it's going to get to my strike, though. Yeah, it's coming down right here to the 25. AMC, 2017. BBIG, slow burn upward. That's kind of what it's been doing all day. It's trying over here. Upstart killed it today. Well, that was because of earnings. Short seller Carson Block, founder of Muddy Waters Research, served a search warrant. Yeah, I saw that. That's interesting. Devin, the exponential moving average, just Google it, but it puts more weight on the more recent prices. Volkswagen just said chip issues force more cuts, stock not responding. Was that VWAGI? I wouldn't touch it. It's just OTC nonsense. You see a lot of weird nonsense with OTC stocks. GGPI ripping. Yeah, 13. Damn, these we gotta get these a little earlier. These 1348 crosses right here are good. Like, look at this. 1348 right here. Boom. Lucid. Did it get across yet? No. Rivian crossing up. All right, hold on. Rivian. And GME bouncing off the 13. AMC 2019. Just kind of hanging out over here. Russia invasion back on. It's been on 94.61 on WTI crude. Uber puts. Did it break? Nope. Watch ANY. Crossed here. Not bad. Yeah. What happened with BKKT? Yeah, I mean, they were slightly green, little bit, and then they went down, and then I just got filled right here. I was like, I don't like it anymore. I didn't like it to begin with, but like if this thing has the potential to run, so I was like, yeah, whatever. Little 9% loss, perfectly fine. How accurate is a 1348? Very, like it's very, very solid. It just, if the market's not going to give it to you, like right here, it's just like what are you going to trade today? You could do anything, any sort of move. You're going to be like, all right, well, where's the momentum going to go? It's basically tracking momentum of stocks. You're such a paper hand. Worked on Uber. Worked real good on Uber. Let's see. Amy 2015. SPY moving back up here a little bit. What about Micron? Holding the Microns. We'll see what happens. Haha, just kidding. I know. I know. USO, is it moving? Yeah, USO looks good here. Paper hands is a myth. 90% on my 50-cent SNDL leap. There you go. Sunil, 1348 has helped me so much. Thank you. There you go. You're welcome, buddy. I'm happy it's working out for you. Oxy dropping. Dude, that makes no sense. That's almost like what happened that one day when I was yelling at oil when it was up so much. And I was like, what are you doing? And then we hit 100% play on Oxy. So we'll see what happens. Amy 2010. SPY moving up here a little bit. Micron get a little boost from this. MU. Oops, that's not the right one. That's just kind of chilling here. Amy is a done name for AMC. I would vote to change it to AM Sizzle. No, that's silly. Amy coming down a little here. SPY back down. Yeah, I still have Oxy calls for this week. I mean, they just that yesterday or Monday, they were just not having fun. So I was like, all right, whatever. Lulu, hold on, doing something. Lulu might want to cross up soon. Uber cross below the 200. There's no Fed meeting today. It's just the minutes. Who really controls the market? I don't know, man. Us. GGPI is ripping. Yeah, I mean, I would have just been chasing it, right? Yeah, it did rip. You got to get that. What do you call it? If you got it at the 1348, you're chilling. Like, that's nasty. Little 1348 cross here above the 200. Ride it. Boom. Oil up. It's up a little. I mean, it's up 90. All right, hold on. Where's USO? Where were the other oil? There were other oil stocks that moved better. Puts on Upstart. Kramer just said he liked it. That's not good. Yeah, also, guys, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithms in this info. I mean, Amy, 2004 right now, still looking good on the day. What are the best medium-term short candidates at the moment? What do you think? Exxon? No. Gush for oil. Gus also natural gas. No. When earnings are before market at a specific time, like pre-market right at open, they usually do them at 8 or 8:30. That AA tweet was really good. Melvin is long Uber. Okay, then send it lower. AR is good oil. None of them are moving with the oil move here. Bucket for BKKT is my vote. All right. SPY flickering over here. Oh yeah, SLB was the one. Yeah, SLB was the good oil one that you guys were talking about. Mara crossing down? No. Is BKKT still selling off? Guys, stop loss. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Come on. Amy, 2008, bouncing off the 25 here. Let's see if we can get some action over here, people. There's no Fed talk today. It's just the Fed minutes getting released. Oh boy, AMZ gonna fall right back to 18. That's silly. Let's see. Do you use a stop loss on options? Yes. 15, 20%, or even sooner if I don't like it. Like BKKT, I was like, I don't like this. It looked good. It just fizzled out and then out. I was out like right here. 860, I was out. AM Sizzle bouncing off the 25. It's coming down a little bit. The market's doing 0 today. Micron, what's Micron doing? Whole lot of nothing on Micron. Signs of life in yeah, it's holding here. Let's see what happens with it though. Where's Nvidia? Actually, how's the premium on it? Oh boy. A little less than 10%. You go with the weekly. Okay. We'll see. We'll see. Did I sell Micron? No. No, I think the chip makers could have a little bit of a run into close unless things go wild. Nasty 38 48 cross is rocking on EOG. No cross on it. I don't place a stop loss. It's a mental stop. Because with options, you can get screwed really, really quickly. If you're market ordering. I think I'm gonna. Did I sell B? Yeah, I told you guys I sold BKKT right. I told you exactly when I was doing it, and then it just tanked. Yeah, so like you could get screwed on like market orders if there's wide spreads. Like a firm, you would get busted if it hit your stop and it just hit a market order. Oh, you'd get completely slaughtered. You get your eyes ripped out on that sell. All right, Amy 2007, Lulu coming up a little bit here. Max Payne's 19. Uber. Not yet. I don't know. I'm kind of not touching Uber for the rest of the day. They were being stupid. BBIG, how's it looking? Coming down a little here. Yeah. Not crossing down yet on BBIG, and it's got a long way to go to get down below the 200. I need to listen to you more. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. That's the thing. Like, you're going to be wrong, like, a lot of the time. What happened with DraftKings? Did it cross down? You just have to limit the name of the game. Limit your losses. Let the winners ride. Uber puts for the win. Do you think the Fed minutes will affect the market? Absolutely. Stop loss, that would have saved me 20. Exactly. SPY moving back up here. Amy 2004 still hanging right around 20. 130.65 on Jimmy over here. Calling a gold move to 178. What is it now? That'd be shit, gold. Where's USO? Did USO just move too? Nope. All right. AMC Ortex over here. 823,000 shares borrowed, 1.49% average cost to borrow. Nothing changing. BBIG, Sam, I got you. BBIG Ortex, let's see what we get over here. On the threshold list, net borrow of 244,000 shares, 29.72% estimated short interest, 171% average cost to borrow. That's crazy. SPY moving up here a little. Uber's just hanging around the 200. Do I wax my eyebrows? No. AMD had a really solid support line. Just hanging out. Oh, AMD. Fucking asshole. Micron chilling over here. No GME Ortex anymore? Dude, the one time when somebody asked for AMC and BBIG Ortex, you're like, you're never doing GME. Relax. 100% utilization, sort of. 2.79% average cost to borrow. It's actually going down, which makes no sense. So still calling bullshit on the utilization number. 21.88% estimated short interest on GME. Amy selling off here, back down below 20. Aunt Kathy's farts. How you doing? Micron not looking good. I mean, maybe I'll have some Micron and AMD calls going into freaking NVIDIA earnings. It's a mental stop on the options. So I just look at it. And I'm like, oh, it's down this, sell it. 1 of the minutes should be 2. No Walmart or text. You guys are funny. SPY, flicker in here. Amy, 1995. Mark, anytime, buddy. Tinfoil hat TD. I think Russia was announced back on because minutes aren't that bad and institutions want to load on cheap share. It's possible. I love AA's tweet. Yeah, those are good. Amy selling off a little bit here. GameStop coming up. William, the Fed minutes are at 2. BBIG rip or dip. I mean, with that with the news and what it was doing, it should be good, man. BBIG. It's chilling here. Yeah, you got to watch the options very closely. Unless you're swing trading on like the 4-hour or the daily chart where you can just leave it for a while. If you're trading on the 5-minute, you got to watch it. You're not going to be in these trades for very long. Unless the momentum starts to pick back up and you're just going to hold these for a while. Proud of you, William. Appreciate that, buddy. Dude, I used to be like decently fluent in Spanish. I used to be nasty at it. Let's see. Let's see here. All right, what do we got? It's just slow. Like, look, the SPY's kind of coming up off of these lows, but it's not doing anything. Like, it's doing zero. SLV got above the VWAP. Amy, big red. Back down to 1986. Gold coming down. Where's oil? Oil, 94.90. How are these oil stocks going? That just makes no sense. Biden expected to seek more than $770 billion for 2023 U.S. defense budget. Sources for that's a lot. Massive block orders hit at 8:38 a.m. Pacific. I didn't see that. No. Space about to break under the 200 EMA. Holding the space puts. Those are down a little bit. Yeah, down a little bit. All right, let's see what happens with space. I think it's coming down, so I'm going to hold those. All right. Space went to the moon yesterday. I'm ready for an Earth landing day. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Fed's Kashkari says Fed is taking very seriously the risk that high inflation could get embedded in psychology. What, bro? What? Jeez. Let's see. Massive U.S. defense budget? Yes, pretty much all the time. All righty, let's see here. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, hit that like button in your way. It just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. I mean, Amy's still up about 2%, 1991, doing all right over here. You don't know what GGPI is, but it's going vertical. Dude, it was a nice 1348. Polestar. Yeah, still going over here. Jeez. Jeez. All right. Amy, 1989. SPY, flickering. Oops. Micron chilling. Yeah, GGPI is moving. If I were to do anything on this right now, I'd get puts on the way back down. But there already had the cross back here. You could have gotten it at 11.55, $1 move. That's insane. Luna the cat, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. Someone mentioned in another live stream that Putin is meeting with NATO's Betty Fusker today. Fuxer. Luna the cat, you got me. Shoot. Damn it. You got me again. Damn. Luna the cat, you suck. Thanks for the super, but you suck. All right. 1998. SPY flickering. Amy's coming back to life here. Damn it. You people. Yeah, that was a good one. That one got me. That one really got me. Sorry, I love you, Luna. I know. Yeah, that's 2 days in a row that you got me. BBIG looks gross to crossing down. Yeah. SV is slipping today. Dude, you guys are catching me. All right, back right around 1999, 98 on Amy. It's funny that use has been running throughout the day, but oil stocks are fading. They pumped them in pre-market. Check out DVN. Yeah, they just ripped it open and then did nothing, even though oil's just continuing to make... it's coming back down a little bit here. New partnership on GGPI. Yeah. NVIDIA might cross back up. Where's my girl Micron? Oh, struggling. 700 billion isn't a lot considering the total federal budget is now 6 trillion. Right, but what is that? Like almost little under a sixth of the overall budget? That's crazy. Well, yeah, GGPI was always Polestar, I feel like. I feel like we knew that. Like I knew it was publicly traded, I just didn't know who it was. Chilling over here. Yeah, Luna, you caught me slipping hard on that one. You caught me slipping. All right. Let's see here. GGPI is Volvo EV. What's the news? Polestar 5. Yeah, this is Polestar. We tried last week for 21. We'll be here forever. Jacob. Relax, buddy. Look at the market today. Sucky. Waiting on the Fed minutes. We'll see what happens with it. Alrighty. Amy is touching 20. She's tap, touching 20. SPY moving down a little here. Yeah, here comes GGPI up again. Polestar is Volvo. Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. Uber bouncing off the 200. That's why I said I'm not taking puts on Uber. It just looks weird today. Like, look, see, it didn't really, it was kind of hovering and then it just bounced right back up. So watch out on that one. Uber, again, could just cross right back up and then head fake us again. You think Viac has bottomed out? I don't know. Where's Disca? Did Disca just tank today with it? Yeah. Viac. Yeah. I don't know. That's a dirt. How much are these options up? Jesus, 1,500%. God. How about Lulu? I need something that moves it. Hold up. Lulu was doing something earlier. Wanted to cross up, but let's see. Yeah, Lulu is looking all right over here, honestly. Not too bad. Lulu actually doesn't look terrible here. Keith, where you at, buddy? Space just flickering around. Lulu, how's it doing? All right. Lulu cross above here. All right, let's see. Last Ukrainian intelligence report shows no evidence of Russian withdrawal 1 minute ago. Oil popped. I always watch Lulu. Lulu's a good one. And back down. SPY coming down now. Amy, 2003. Touch that 20. You think Airbnb will drop from 190? It's up decent today. I mean, I wouldn't. Airbnb, I feel like it's just like a good long-term hold, in my opinion. BBIG chart states to start moving back up. Yeah, hopefully. Might cross down here soon, but it does look like it wants to get a little bit jumpy. It's just not done a whole lot today. You was waiting for it all morning. Now I have no dry powder. Well, let's see what happens with it. It's just chilling above the 200 here. Papa Putin trolled the West. I probably would. Disney's been climbing since the cross. Yeah. Where was this? 154. It's not that big, but that's a decent one. If SPY breaks down, we go to sub 440. I think so too. Well, it's going to depend on what happens in the Fed minutes today. If the Fed minutes are really bad, then it's going to tank the market. Like if they throw some wild stuff in there, like the market's not going to have fun. Lulu. Chilling. Can you explain spoofing? Okay. Here's what it's like. Remember in Charlie Brown? The girl who like pulls the football away? That's spoofing in the stock market. It's you put your orders there and right before they get filled, you take them away. That's spoofing. It's the Charlie Brown. What Fed minutes should be 2. Should be 2. Let's see. Lucid. What's going on? It's just kind of chilling over here. Amy, 20 flat. This market's so slow today. Yeah, you say running that. Dude, I know what Charlie Brown is. Come on, I know what Charlie Brown is. What am I, living under rocks over here? Great way to put it. Thank you. Guys. I've said this 8 billion times. It should be 2 p.m. for Fed minutes. MTTR earnings set. Exxon about to cross down. How, bro? Oil is ripping. Is above 95 yet? 94.74. It's up 2.9% today. That's craziness. But nah, I never messed around with the Pokemon stuff. I always thought that stuff was weird. I don't know why. I just didn't like it. I was like, I don't like, not for me. GGPI needs to retrace back to 1160 for support. Where is it right now? At 12 something, isn't it? Yeah, 1214 coming down. Strangling the SPY for Fed minutes. I mean, I have Micron calls and then I've got a SPY put. So I mean, technically I am already. Ortex update on AMC. Yeah, I gotcha. Technically, I already have like a market strangle. That was AMC. All right. So 100% utilization. Not really, though. 1.49% average cost to borrow. 823,000 shares borrowed today. Net borrow of 349,000. 21.12% estimated short interest. GGPI coming down now. SPY just flat. All flat. Who flushed Viac down the toilet? Their earnings. Their earnings did it. Is ChargePoint done? Might cross down here. How's your put on TLT? Let's look. Put on TLT is up 11%. FUD minutes at 2 p.m. That's funny. UNG is climbing again. Ooh, natural gas. Yeah, UNG is getting up there. Hold your horses, people. Interesting. Hold on. UNG. GGPI might be fun. No, it is. UNG is natural gas. So GGPI, I mean, that's what I was saying earlier. I was like, I wouldn't get calls on this. I would just get put. Because, like, why is it running up? A little bit of news, but it's a SPAC. Like, SPACs do this. They start to rip, and then they just come right back down. Just massive shark fins. Lucid moving. Not really, no. Viac changed its name to Paramount. What time zone? Eastern, bro. Yeah, Lucid's trying a little bit here. I wouldn't touch it, though, with these two previous day highs over here. All right. Tesla trying to cross. So is Lucid. I think Neo might have before as well. Yeah, Neo, all right, over here. Space is annoying. Is it coming up? It's just flickering around here. Thanks for your advice. I'm playing both sides on earnings. I managed to make a decent profit on Viac. Even when I bet big on the wrong side, my 75-40 calls went up in flames, but my 32-50 puts printed. James, there you go. That's the name of the game with earnings. You play both ways. You play small. A small amount of money can turn into a big amount of money. It's just educated gambling on earnings. That's what it is. How long ago did you Ortex? Like 3 minutes ago? Space flicker in here. Amy back above 20. SPY doing its thing. GME 130.76. I mean, I like that these are holding today, but the market's just really waiting for these Fed minutes again. I think it's a little bit worried about what happened the last time the Fed minutes were released. That's just kind of what it's waiting for over here. All righty. What do we got? What do we got here? Is Palantir a mover on earnings? I don't think so. Space back down. Usually moves down on earnings, like pretty big. That's what I remember it doing. Yeah, earnings 25 to 22. Gap up here, 22, 25. It's not a big mover. This is a weird one. This is a gap down. It moves all right. I mean, I wouldn't touch it, though. It's just, you can if you want to. It's pre-market, too. I don't like pre-market earnings. T-Doc crossing down. I've traded a lot of Teledoc in my time. Shout out to Kathy. Teledoc, yeah, still above the 200, though. FOMC meeting minutes should confirm whether or not they will move for a 50 basis point level hike in March. That's interesting. USO makes 0 cents not moving. Well, how much is it up on the day? That could be what we're looking at. It's up 2% on the day, and WTI crude is up 2.65% on the day. So it kind of does make sense that it's not moving. DWAC. Trying to get a little pop here. Where's Micron? Micron selling down to the 200. All right. SNDL crossing. Probably down, right? No. SNDL is not crossing. AMC is ready for. I mean, it's hanging right around the 48 EMA right here, 1996. SPY literally doing zero, nothing, just up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's just barcoding on the SPY, waiting for Jerome. Do you think? No, Darstar, it wouldn't. Uber dropping now. Uber with a candle below the 200 here, down 1.56%. What's the SPY doing? Uber. Interesting. I'm probably going to wait until Powell. Corsair getting a bit jumpy. Here we go. Bring my calls back from the TED, huh? What are these at now? Still dead. Let's see. Yeah, everything in the U.S. stock market will be affected. Like everything will be affected. SPY flickering around a little bit here. Jerome can catch these hands. Why are you so angry at Jerome? What did Jerome do to you? Just tell you inflation's transitory and printed money over the last 2 years that you could have made a bunch of money on. And now he's like, yeah, guys, can't do that anymore. That's pretty much what we got going on with Jerome right now. SPY, nothing, dude. Zero. Yeah, it's just barcoded. I see it makes sense if they acquire for what? He's making the market crash. That's why. Yeah, but he also is the reason why the market's this high. SPY little pop. Would you pull the trigger on BBIG puts if it's still above the 200? No. No, unless you're playing it down to the 200. Yeah, SPY is doing nothing. MU, bummer day so far. Yeah. Stop with the Ortex. It's garbage. No. What's going on with AMD? It's just, everything's just like the AMD popped up a little bit, but then it's just having a terrible day today. Micron, it's not doing that bad. I mean, it's down a little bit here, but NVIDIA, we should end up seeing a little bit of a run up in the close on. I mean, NVIDIA's down 1.5% right now. That could burn out the premium going into earnings, which would be nice. They will spend their way out of the situation. They've already tried to. Yeah, DOJ issuing warrants against short sellers. Yeah, we saw a lot of those. Those are interesting. Very interesting on the short sellers. All righty. But Lou said on what? What did he say? All right. SPY doing nothing here. 1995. Puts on TLT is the only thing that matters. I mean, they could go wild. TLT could move really big. That's okay. That's what I'm gonna do, I think. I'll do a TLT strangle ahead of the Fed meeting. Or the Fed minutes. That's what I'll do. He flipped to dovish in his second term. No, he's hawkish now. He's been dovish. 1999 on Amy. SPY flickering around here a little bit. Microsoft news offering 62-cent dividends about to cross. It needs a lot more to cross. You already did on TLT? Well, I already have a strangle on TLT, but I'll get one for this week. That's probably what I'll do because the bonds will freak out. That's what I'll do. Okay, so that's what we'll do today. I'll do a strangle on TLT going into the FOMC. Honestly, I could hit it both ways. It could tank or it could rip, cash the calls, and then tank and or the other way. It could go crazy. So that's probably what I'll do on the Fed minutes, TLT. Yeah, just kind of hanging out over here. SPY's moving back up a little bit. 2002 on Amy. Dude, yeah, squirrel. There's nothing going on. You can't really do your SPY magic today. Nothing's going on with it. AMC boom boom inbound. I'm hoping, man. I'm hoping. Any idea why Roblox tanked today? Earnings. SOS. What's SOS? Yeah, that thing's ripping up here. 1348 cross at 71 all the way up to 77. That's a big move over here. Up. So this thing's ripping right now. Watch out though. That could come just this hard. What do you mean a strangle? You buy puts and calls on either side. When did I say I don't think the DOJ watches Reddit? When did I say that? 218 or 225 on TLT? I'll probably do 218. I don't know. We'll see. I'll do that on the afternoon stream. That's what we'll do then. Layered in a bunch of calls on Prague on this dip. Yeah, this is ripping right here. What's going on with Prague? Prague down 5. AMC 1998. SPY doing no. So okay. So here's the deal. The market is just waiting for these FOMC minutes. Different strikes on the strangle. Any thoughts on Sens on why it's been going down despite FDA approval last week? All priced in. Sens was all priced in. That's what I was trying to explain to people, that like once they came out with that news article, that was like, we're expecting to get the approval, I knew it was over for the actual approval date. Because people bid it up right away and it started to go. It's like, all right, well, now the market's already thinking, like already pricing in the move that they're going to get the approval. So I was playing it a little bit, like tiny little position, just in case it was going to rip. But in the back of my mind, I was like, it's not going to go. Like it all has to do with like market expectations. When the market is expecting something to happen and it prices it in, then that thing happens. And then they also release not great earnings. It just tanks. SPY flickering around over here a little bit. GME 130.33. 1996 on Amy. Thank you much. Appreciate it. Anytime. All right. Amy, trying to get back above 20 over here. All right, guys. It is 12 noon. That is going to wrap up the morning stream. Thank you guys so much for an awesome day today. That was pretty fun. We're seeing, I mean, Amy's right around 20 right now, which is what we want to see in order to get ankles. That's what we're going to need to see. Close above 20. If you guys are going to leave right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. And if you do want to learn more about the 1348 strategy, make sure you check out the free part of the Discord linked in the top of the chat. I know TMI is live right now, so make sure you guys go over there and hang out with him. I will be back on at 1:15 Eastern. I'll schedule that stream and we'll be good to go. Hopefully we see some wild stuff today going into close. I think the Fed minutes are going to be pretty crazy. I'll probably get a TLT play going into that, so that'll be pretty fun. But other than that, guys, shout out to all the new members, the existing members, all the mods. You guys are awesome. And everybody just being positive. I will see you in a little bit. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. And peace.